Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to MartynLucas Investor. Well, it's the day we've been waiting for. It is FOMC report day, and we are preparing, and we need to get prepared because it could be a very dramatic day on the market. So let's get ready. What are we going to do? What's going up? What's going down? Are we prepared? Are we in good positions? Have we got lower averages? Have we got a balanced portfolio? Have we got cash on hand? All of that needs to be discussed this morning. I'm ready. Are you ready? We've got the FOMC report coming up straight after this show. So let's get ready to rock and roll. Here we are. You can see Warren Buffett is in blue. The S&P is in pink. And I am in red. So I'm just in third place this morning. At the moment, slightly down, but coming up very quickly. Let me check my Roth IRA position. You can see I'm looking at Rocket Lab this morning, buying back in from that scalp trade yesterday. It's going down, so we're waiting for Rocket Lab to go down so I can buy back in again. So keep an eye on it. Let's see who we got here first of all. We've got Octavio. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Octavio. How are you? Fabinici Blue. Good morning to you over there on Twitch. Thank you very much for joining me. Jason Richard. Longhorns. I've got I've got a Longhorns hat. I'm in Dallas. Jason Richard, I think, is a guest. Jason Richard. Welcome to you. Lovely to see you. And I've got a Longhorns hat, being from Dallas. Where are you from? I'm presuming you're from Texas. Anyway, let me know. That quite surprised me to see that on the screen this morning. Hope everything is doing well. Have a great day. Jason, welcome as a guest. Where are you from? We've got members in... I've just turned green. Let's change the studio. We are now green. Or we was for a second there, but we are on the Roth. Let me just go back red again. We need to keep it in focus. Austin, Texas. Wonderful. Lovely to have you here. Very nice, very close to the Tesla factory then, I would imagine. All right. Brilliant. Wonderful to have you here, Jason. We've got members in 41 countries, including the US. These are all the flags that we fly. We go live up to 10 hours a day. We aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. This is my TV studio behind me. I'm the world piano man, and in the evenings after the shows, we do live music here in the TV studio. And if you want to go and check out a bit of my music to see what I'm all about, let me just give you a little glimpse here. I do 14 voices in 7 different languages. Here is my music channel. Scroll down here. Here's when I was wearing Elton John's jacket he gave to me when I won the World Piano Man, doing Lion King, Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas Showgirls, all the different videos here. Eric, I just did a tribute. You might like some of this, actually. I did to the voice of Neil Diamond a couple of days ago, to celebrate the new musical, Beautiful Noise. Willie Nelson I did, to All the Girls I've Loved Before. John Legend, Tears in Heaven, because Eric Clapton's on tour again. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers, because I'm trying to get there so I can do more fundraisers. When I hit 10,000, YouTube turn on a feature which enables me to do fundraising without the fees. I've got it on this channel, but not quite yet on my music channel. So gonna have a little look. Anyway, let's have a little look. What is moving this morning? I hope everyone is doing well, he said. The Longhorns, I just think that's brilliant. Hi, Martyn. Do you think Jay Powell will be charming? I hope so. I'm preparing for a pause, but also preparing for a rate hike as well at the same time. Good morning, Mr. Bogues. How are you this morning? That's a big truck. Look at that. There you go, Mr. Boags, I think that is. How are you? Where are you from, Mr. Boags? Welcome to you. I think we've got another guest, George Otter T. Good morning. Hookham, thanks. Do you want me to go and get my Hookham hat? Do you want me to go and get it? I've never worn it on the show. That'd be quite cool. If you ask me, I'll go and get it. Tio Roll, hello. Austin, okay. How did the gig go last night? Thank you so much for asking. I appreciate it. Do you know what? I missed my audience. This is my family now. It was a sellout night. People that bought tickets to see my show. and it was sellout, and they all enjoyed it. Yes, it was a lot of fun. It was the second time. It was supposed to be last night, and it got moved to last night, the night before. And it was a good night. I did a 45-minute show, and I got a standing ovation, which was nice. And at the end, people were coming up to me going, "Is that a tip jar?" Well, I carry this big bowl because sometimes if it's a fundraiser event, I like to. We're going green now. I like to. I go around the tables dancing, and it gets all the women. They put money in my braces and suspenders and stuff like that. You know, and I need to clarify this. We've got a lot of English people watching thinking suspenders. Hang on. In the US, braces is called suspenders. All right. So I know it sounds weird. And they put money in. But last night it wasn't a charity event. So I didn't need to bring the bowl out, didn't need to do the dancing, whatever. And so I had this bowl at the back of the stage. It was just sitting there by my boxes and my cases. And a guy come up to me and he went, "Is that a tip jar?" I said, "It is," but I wasn't asking for tips. I mean, people pay to see me, right? And the guy walked up and he threw $40 in the tip jar. I thought, very brilliant. I wasn't even asking for it. Anyway, so thanks for asking. Fibonacci Blue. All right, check out my brother-in-law, Adam Swanson. Adam Swanson. I know Adam Swanson. I think he's a world champion ragtime player. Oh, is he? Oh, I've heard of that name. Champion. I'm actually. Yeah. I'll be checking your stuff out. Thanks again. All right, good morning, Zachzay. We are now green. How's Rocket Lab doing? So we want to keep our eye on Rocket Lab today. That's what we are focusing on for another dip, if we can get it. It's bouncing around. This is where I sold it yesterday, so we don't want to be touching it yet. Good morning. UK inflation surprise down. Yes, I was disgusted by that, Sensei. Disgusted. England is supposed to be leading the world when it comes to the environment. We had another 7 years before 2030. We've already had, I mean, that was already like a 15-year thing that we put out about getting rid of gas cars. And now we've gone, forget it. We'll make it 2025. I'm disgusted by England there. I mean, the whole of Norway is EV now. Other countries have done it in Europe. I was really impressed that England was leading the way on the environment there, but that's really, I'm quite disgusted by that. I think the government, they'll lose a lot of votes for that. I think a lot of people will be very angry that they've pulled back. I'm very disappointed. Arkansas for mega trucking. Arkansas, I love it. How are you, Arkansas? I've toured all over the US. I did Nebraska, which is, no, that's not really near Arkansas, is it? The truckers are in tonight. Mr. Boags, I love the truckers. How are you, mate? Speech, Sensei, speech. Are you speechless? I want to see the Longhorn hat. Okay, I'm going to go and get the Longhorn hat. We've got a guest in here from Austin, Texas, and he wants to see the Longhorn hat. So I'm going to go and get it. Stay where you are. I'm going to go and get it. All right, hang on. It's in the other room. I've got to go over here a minute. Hang on. Hang on a minute. Got to go over here. All right, I'm back. I had to walk to the other part of the house. This is for Jason Richard. They are, Jason. Told you, mate. Look at that. See? Turning green. Tio Roll says happy happy hump day. Says Wade Van Eysen. Piano. Yes, I'm the world piano man, and voted by Sir Elton John. This is my piano behind me. If you have a little look, I'll go to the side and you can see the piano. is just down there. When your piano disappears, there you go, right there. And if I show you this screen here, here you go. Here's the piano. So I've got, here we are. This is when I do my music. There's my piano. Here. There you go. This is where I sit when I do my songs. Okay. There you go. So, yeah, this is my TV studio, which all lights up when I have requests. If you are a member of the channel, Jason Richard, we have members. We have lots and lots of perks for our members, and one of those is we can celebrate your birthday, and I will do a birthday song for you, or you can donate it to somebody else in your family the day before, the day of your birthday, or the day after. And also every Friday we have our concert. If you want to join me this Friday, I'll give you the link. This is every Friday. It's music night. We do a live phone in. And you can make requests. I'll sing your favourite songs. That's a little perk there for you. Let me give you the link to the concert on Friday. Every Friday it's music night. Have your ragtime friend call in. I'll do some Scott Joplin. Anyway, Sensei 2035. Yes, Afghanistan. Hang on a minute. Afghanistan, we do not have any members from Afghanistan. Omar, what is your native language? Tell me what your language is in Afghanistan, and I'll speak to you in your language. I'll take this off now, okay? That was for Jason. What is your language in Afghanistan? I'm so excited because you are our first person to visit us from Afghanistan. If you become a member, you will fly the flag for Afghanistan, a wonderful country. I've been there. I've been to 195 countries as the World Piano Man, which is literally everywhere. Yes, I've been everywhere. Here is my link to become a member. Become a member, and we'll put the Afghanistan flag above us here, and we'll fly the flag for you. That's Omar. Tell me what your language is, and we'll speak to you in your language. Very, very exciting. Right, I'm in green, Warren Buffett is in blue, and the S&P is in pink. I'm about to beat it. We're waiting for a dip to come for Rocket Lab so we can buy this dip here. Afghanistan, Omar, I'm so excited about that. How was the music last night? Mike, it was a great success. It was a lot of fun. As I was explaining to our earlier inquiry about it, how did it go? It was really exciting because I always carry this big bucket because I like to raise money for charities. I dance around the table sometimes, and all the ladies put sort of tips all over me. It gets some money, and they said, no, we don't need to do that tonight. It's not a charity event. I went, okay. So I left my bucket at the back of the stage. It's a big glass bowl next to all my cases and equipment, my touring equipment at the back. And at the end, I got a standing ovation and people walked towards the stage. And this one guy come up to me and he said, is that a tip jar at the back of the stage? And I went, well, it is, but it's for charity. I'm not doing it. He said, no, I want to give you a tip. So he walked up and put $40 in this bowl, and I wasn't even doing tips. So, people buy tickets to see me. So it was for my charity events. But that was quite nice, wasn't it? I got $40. They gave us food and they loved it, and it was fun. Good morning. A man from Earth. I loved the picture this morning on Discord. Man from Earth. All YouTube members can access our Discord. Look, this is a man from Earth this morning. Sent me in a great picture. Look at that. He's out in the country, out in the wild with his fishing rod, a little bit of the river. Hey, I love it. I hope your arm's okay. That reminds me of my dad. My dad had arthritis, and he had one of those things. I hope your arms are all right, mate. How are you? Are you okay? Don't like seeing anybody injured. All right. Okay, looking mighty fine there, sir. Hook 'em horns. There you go. Hey, I've got to be honest, because everyone knows, right? This is the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Just got to be straight with you a minute. Hang on a minute. Why is that like that? That's a bit weird. Why is that like that? Anyway, I'll just tell you now, I don't understand American football. I'm an Englishman, right? I watch football, as in soccer. You call soccer. I gotta say, I'm a bit confused by the whole American football, but I like to support the local people and be involved, even though if I don't know what I'm talking about, to be honest. Hey, your mate Manow. Hey, we're not seeing you for a while. Hey, was you not a member, Manow? You're not a member anymore. Was you a member before? I can't remember now. Not bad, but my hats look better on you. Not bad, but my hat. This is what he means, right? I got two hats. So if I'm MartynLucas World Piano Man on tour like last night, there's me hat. Look, see, look. There's my logo. There's my hat from last night. That's when I'm on tour. But when I'm doing some Billy Joel at the piano, I got that one. All right, I got that one. There you go. Put them back in position over there. Right. So where are we? Hydrogen is a long-term solution. Hydrogen. Now I've got shares in Plug Power. This is my Plug Power investment here. This is the number one, and this is coming to this is a lot of stations opening up in the US later on next year. So I've got Plug Power in my position. I'm starting to add into this. Got a long term and a short term. This is just my this is one part of my position. I'd love your thoughts on this because we're very into Tesla as well, the semi truck. Now, you as a trucker would know all about this, so I would like your thoughts. Now, we do have a live phone-in. You can call every Friday with a phone-in, but every Friday it's a live special phone-in, but you can phone in any time. The broadcast lounge is open on Discord from our members. Consider becoming a member. You get many, many perks, and there's lots of things I will do on your social media. I will promote your YouTube channel, get everyone to subscribe to you if you are a YouTuber. There are special events that you get, exclusive video content, so on and so forth. But one of those things is you can call into the show. Let me give you the link to become a member. There you go. And anyway, hydrogen. I'd love to know from a trucker what your thoughts are, because I said, really, the hydrogen is only for the big vehicles like trains when I researched it. So I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Have you call into the show? That would be really, really good. So consider that. Anyway, heavy duty trucking, decarbonising the future hasn't looked this bright. Breathe easy, my friends. I like it. Mr. Boags, a big trucker talking like that. I love that. All right, okay. Silver Surfer, greetings from San Antonio, Texas. Silver Surfer, how are you? Are you the original Silver Surfer? What I mean by that is we've had a Silver Surfer before, but I thought he was a member. Is this somebody new? We got a lot of Texans in tonight. Wow, what a setup. You and Adam Swanson could jam. He's incredible. That'd be awesome. Yeah, I'd love it. I'd love it. I tell you what, as we got a couple of guests in, so I can do, as I'm sitting here, live, sitting here talking to you, I can do 14 different voices. Which one do you want to hear? You can have Michael Jackson, Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli. You can have Richard Marx, Sir Paul McCartney, Eric Clapton, Neil Diamond, Michael Bolton. Which one of those voices would you like me to do for you live, sitting here right now? Wow, what a setup. Thank you very much indeed. All of this stuff comes to life. At the moment, it's all asleep because we're doing the investment channel, but this screen turns around, all the lights start moving, there's dry ice, special effects. All of this comes to life. All above my head, there's moving lights and stuff like that. And everything moves and changes colors and all the rest of it. Anyway, how do you cope with sitting all day? I have a standing desk, so can adjust between sitting and standing. This whole studio setup would not be possible moving. I've looked into that, and it just would not be possible because there are so many precise moving parts in this studio. It'd be very, very difficult to do that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic looking good. We're trying to buy Rocket Lab on the way down. We've already done it yesterday. We scalp traded it. We scalp traded Virgin Galactic several times. We're doing very well on that now, making money there as well. The FOMC report, we're going to discuss that in a second. Let me scroll down. Niels, hello to you. They have several languages there in Afghanistan. He never came back to me. I was going to speak to him. That was fantastic with the gig. Mike, yeah, thank you very much. Sensei, UK equals California. Yeah, but Zach, they've just now backtracked. I'm really disgusted by the British government. Remember, I actually stood for election. I would have been in the. I would have actually won my seat years and years ago. I was in a position where I would have actually been a member of parliament. I would have actually won my seat because I was nominated for a seat to stand, and that seat stood and it won in my party. So I would have actually been a member of parliament, which is like a senator in the United States. But I'm disgusted by the US government, the UK government, for pulling back. I fractured it in July. Well, you take care of yourself, mate. I'm sorry about that. I'm glad you're up and running, though. Hello, Dr. Rob. Hello, Doctor. Who's the doctor in the house? Af Gorilla, Space. We're getting a lot of guests coming today. What's going on? Af Gorilla, lovely to have you here. Your take on OSTK. I think it will rocket soon. Close to 52-week lows and very undervalued in my opinion. OSTK. For my members, I do a full back test, review the stock for 10 minutes. I'll even buy shares in it, make a video on it. You're not a member of my channel, so I have to focus on my members. Stick with me, and if I get 5 minutes, I've got no questions to answer from anyone else. Come back to me, and I will try and do it. But I have to focus on my members. I don't know much about it, but I would look at it. If I get time, remind me again, okay? Trains. Sensei, why are you laughing about trains? Absolutely is the hydrogen capital is trains and big trucks. Are you playing the miners' riot and Mara? Are you playing the miners' riot and Mara? Af Gorilla, I'm sorry, I actually don't know what you mean. To be perfectly honest, I don't actually know what. Oh, Bill has just gifted 5 memberships. Who's going to win the memberships? Who's going to win the memberships? Oh, look at this. Simon Jones has just won a membership. BRN has just won a membership. Neil Carver has won. Nikunj Haja has won. Mr. Clockwork has won. Incredible. What an amazing gesture from one of our members. He has just bought 5 of you. Please do. Simon Jones, BRN, Neil Carver, Nikunj Haja, and Mr. Clockwork. Please do come back and say thank you for that. That's a wonderful gesture because you get lots of perks and benefits now over. Look at this. Wow, Bill, what a wonderful gesture. Thank you ever so much for doing that for so many people. That was really amazing. All these new members. Look at that. Bill, you're very, very kind. Simon Jones, you become a member. There's another one. Look, there's another one. Who else have we got? We got Simon Jones. Let's have a look. Who else came up there? Really nice. We've got BRN. He got a membership from Bill. Bill is a war veteran from Canada, and he's just bought all these people memberships. Who else have we got? Absolutely great. We got 35 minutes before the bell goes. So we're keeping an eye on the clock. We've got Mr. Clockwork, also got a membership. Look at that, all from Bill. What a great gesture that is. Who else have we got? Kieran, have we got any more? I think we might have another one. Mr. Clockwork. Nikunj as well. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Bill. I think that's it now. We might have one more. He bought 5 memberships. What a wonderful gesture. And Neil Carver as well. There you go. Absolutely amazing. What a nice gesture. There you go. Awesome stuff. can't believe it. Thank you ever so much, Bill. That's a wonderful gesture doing for everybody. Anyway, Warren Buffett's in blue, the S&P's in pink, and I am in green, just behind Warren Buffett at the moment. Seth, finally, I have internet connection. I wouldn't miss this. Seth Houston, it's great to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. I didn't get a request for one of those voices from our guest from Texas today. I was going to do a voice for you. That's right, Sensei. How are you, mate? I own Tesla and Plug and many others. Nikola is my main investment because they're building out the hydrogen highway. I didn't realize that, which we all know is the future, the hydrogen highway. I didn't know that about Nikola. I need to speak to you. We need to get you as a member. We need you to call in. Now, that all of those of you that just won memberships, when you win a membership, you get all the benefits, all the perks, apart from me upgrading you on Discord until your badge turns 1 month old, which is green next month. The blue badge is the new one. If you bought your membership, I would upgrade you everywhere, but people that win memberships only get a Discord once they renew, so we know that you want the service, because that's very exclusive. You can call into the show and on all the rest of it. But those of you that just won, you can now have a birthday celebration, which you can donate. You can have for yourself or donate for someone else. You get to download the video. People pay me $500 to make them a birthday live video in the show behind me. You get that during the live show. So if it's your birthday today, tomorrow, or yesterday, or for a family member or a loved one, let me know and you can have that. You can also have access now to all our exclusive content. We have members-only videos, members-only live streams, members-only meetups when we get together. All these events now on the homepage you can see. I will do a request for you on Friday. If you phone in on the Friday music night after the closing bell on Friday. I'll answer all your questions for you now. I will reply to all your social media. If you reply, I will promote your channel. I will do all those things. The only thing I don't do is upgrade you on Discord just yet until you renew next month. All right, Mr. Boags, I want to know more about that. Rob, what is your profession, Martyn? Rob, my profession, for 37 years, I left home at 16. I became a full-time professional entertainer. I performed as a Phantom. I was a world piano man. I toured 195 countries over 37 years as an entertainer. I'm still doing shows. I did a show last night, but I'm also a full-time investor, full-time on YouTube TV. This is my TV studio. And I'm live here every single day, up to 10 hours a day. This is my full-time job now, doing this. Live events. We've raised lots of money for charities around the world. We do it all the time. And I'm a full-time broadcaster. And my intention and my plan, and we are well on schedule, is to build the most honest, most real, most live, most supported YouTube channel in the world. I set down a challenge with Mr. Beast. We started 2 years ago, going live with nobody watching. We got 1,000. Oh my God. Sorry to break into the conversation. Look at what Bill has just done. This is insane. Has he gone mad today? Look at this. Look at this. We've got more members being gifted this morning. We've got, look at this. I can't believe it. Sell says yo, can I sell what? Sell all? No, that makes not sense. That makes no sense to sell everything today. You don't want to be doing that. I'm a doctor, Smitzy. Great to meet you. Look at all these members we've just got coming here. This is Bill. He's buying everyone memberships. Wow, Bill, this is awesome. Look, Bill just bought 10 memberships. Every single person's a member. Yo, Flutter Edits, me, Smitzy. Wow, Bill. People just can't believe it. What's going on? Wow, Bill. There we go. Yo, can I? Just won a membership. Mr. Boags has just... What is going on today? What is going on? This is insane. I've never seen anything like it. And Roy Kirk just became a member. Can you believe it? Roy Kirk, where are you from? You've got to come back. We're giving away memberships today. Me, says Jason. Jason Richard wants to win a membership. Will Jason get one? Bloon Tower Defence Popper has just become a member as well. Look at that. Fantastic. I love it. Who else have we got here? Raman says thank you. Congratulations to everyone that got a membership. I can't keep up with it. Lewis Martyn has just won a membership. Amazing stuff. Look at that. Who else have we got? I mean, trading, MRAR and Riot. Oh, trading it. Okay. I'll take a look at it when all this craziness settles down. Vito has just become a member. Incredible stuff. Lovely gesture. You missed me though. Kieran River Jones said you missed me. Who's that who just popped in? I just missed one there. Incredible. What Inbound has just become, I can't believe Inbound just won one. Can you believe it? He's been here for years. Congratulations to you. Nice one, Bill. Half an hour to go before the bell goes. I can't believe what's going on here this morning. Fireworks. Mars Solo has just become a member as well. Mars Solo. Great move, Bill. I can't believe what's going on here. I can't keep up with it. Great move. What a wonderful gesture, says Zaxay. Thanks, Bill. You're the bomb. Wow. Congratulations, Bill. People can't believe what's going on. We might end up with every single person in the show being a member. Can you believe that? What else have we got? We've got hello, Rob. CA has just become a member. I can't keep up with it. What's going on? Wow. Alan 58 just said wow there. Bill is the bomb. He's incredible, isn't he? This is just an amazing community. Seth Houston, fantastic. I can't keep up with it, quite honestly. 1 minute on the clock. Smash the likes. 1 minute on the clock. Shall we do it? We'll come to that. All right. 1 minute on the clock. Gordon Center, good morning to you. Mr. Boags has become a member.
Mr. Buzz has become a member.
Michael Jackson is the voice. Oh, man, I literally cannot keep up with the pace of it. All right, we'll take a break for a second from the craziness. Jason Richard has just said, could you do the voice of Michael Jackson? Yes, I can. I do 14 voices, 7 different languages, from Richard Marx to Michael Jackson to Bryan Adams to Pavarotti. And you went for Michael Jackson. So you ready? Here we go. I did this last night, actually. I can't play the music for copyright reasons, so I'm just gonna sing it live. While I'm singing it, we've got a request from Sensei. We're watching the markets. We're not going to miss anything.
A man from Earth has become a member. Welcome to the family. Now smash
right.
the like
I'm going to
button.
give everyone their perks and benefits and gifts in a few minutes. Just bear with me a moment. So Sensei, and now normally when Sensei does this, there's normally a prize related to this. He hasn't mentioned it, so there might be. Okay, so let's just prepare for that. Just as I sing Michael Jackson for Jason, Sensei has said, put on the clock a minute and see how many likes we can get. And very often, he will do like a cash giveaway. What is going? I am blown away. All right, okay. I'm trying to. I can't even keep up with it. It's gone, but it's got. I think Bill's won the lottery. I mean, every single person now is a member.
Niels has become a member.
All right,
Chaos.
okay. What am I going to do? What was I going to do? I can't. Right, okay. This might be a cash giveaway. So I'm going to put a clock up. I can't believe what's going on here this morning. This is the best show ever. I need to get the whiskey out. Should we get... I tell you what, let's do a poll. Let's do the poll. Shall we get the whiskey out? Here we go. There's a poll right now. Start a poll. Shall we get out... shall we get out the whiskey? because this is unprecedented situation here. Whiskey. I can't even spell whiskey this morning. Don't worry. Yes or no? Shall we get out the whiskey? Yes or no? There we go. Yes or no? All right, we'll have a poll. Right, we might have a cash giveaway. We've got 72 watching. We're having the most explosive morning in the history of the world. 71 watching. We need 71 likes. Sensei said put a clock up. Very often when he does this, there's like a cash giveaway, all right? I don't know. 38, so let me put a timer up. You ready? Every single person like the video. 71 watching. We're giving away money. We're giving away memberships. We're giving away... it's bonkers. It's the bonkers show. Right, 39 likes. You ready? 1 minute, here it comes. 39 likes. Every single person, there's 77 watching. Smash the like. We're giving away people that like and comment. We're giving away memberships. We're giving away all sorts of stuff to celebrate. 77 watching. Let me just clear that a minute. It's opened up too much information. It's a little bit confusing. There you go. Right, 77 watching. You ready? Members are coming from everywhere. I can't... What is going on? We've got more memberships. If everyone... So Sensei has donated memberships. Everyone smash the like button. Come on, we got 46 likes. Everyone who likes and comments is getting memberships today. This is absolutely bonkers. Right, let me come out of here. I've never seen anything like it. Right, 46. We should have 71 likes because every single person is being given a free membership. I don't know. I can't cope with it. Right. Nonny has done it as well. Right, okay. It's gone mad. I've got to do this voice, right? Literally, it's gone mad. Everyone smash the like button because everyone's winning memberships. So, everyone smash the like. Right, here is for Jason, Michael Jackson. He asked for Michael Jackson. Sorry it's taken so long. I just can't keep up with the chaos. It's, all right, here we go. Here's the voice of Michael Jackson for Jason. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. Though you're far away, 'cause I am here to stay. You never said goodbye. Someone tell me why. Did you have to go and leave my world so cold? All right, there's Michael Jackson. Now, if we've got any ladies watching, here is When a Man Loves a Woman. This is Michael Bolton. Will a man loves a woman deep down his soul? Love and eyes can never see him. He gives up all, he does comfort, sleep and rain. Mr. Neil Diamond, love on the rocks, he no surprise. Pour me a drink and I'll tell you some lies. Richard Marx, wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Mr. All these requests and coming in, it's gone absolutely bonkers today. We got 20 minutes before the bell goes. Everyone smashed the like. Everyone's getting memberships. Everyone's winning money. Everyone's having a great time. Here's Andre Bocelli. Time to say goodbye. Sunavi pe Marie. Que la soy. No, it's gonna be count on me. That'll do. Thank you ever so much, everyone. Absolutely bonkers. I've got to celebrate lots of memberships, give everybody super chats, give everybody stuff. Right. Are we getting the whiskey? 83%. We need like everyone, 53 votes said get the whiskey. Leah, can you bring me a little glass of whiskey, please? She said no. She said, I'm going to do it then. I've got to do it because we always do what we say we're going to do. We say what we're doing and all the rest of it. So, you ready? We'll have a bit of fun. Here we go. We've got just a little bit. Oh, here's my coffee. Thank you, Leah. All right, Leah's bringing it in. Here we go. Okay, what we got? Stephen Lowry has just become a member. This is the craziest day we've ever seen. Marion Harris has just become a member. I'm going to give everyone their benefits in a minute, all right? Once every single person's a member, right? And there's no more. Right, here's the whiskey. Here we go. Look, Leah's brought out the whiskey. Rob has become a member. We don't normally do this. We only ever drink on my birthday, the anniversary of the show, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas and New Year. 5 times. Oh, it smells good. Corner Page has become a member. When all this stops, I shall drink the whiskey. Wow, what a day. It's raining memberships. It's raining memberships. All right, what's going on? All right, we've got to do a song. We've got to go back to the studio. Has anyone got a birthday? If any of my members have a birthday, let me know. Literally every single person who likes the video, everyone who likes is winning a membership today. Look at it. We've got more memberships. Every single person can become a member today. If you tap the like button, we've got 80 watching, 64 likes. So we're giving everyone the chance. Right. When all this stops, Dave Mottram has won a membership. He can't believe it. 5. Cheers, everybody. A man from Earth. Hang on. We got a comment. We got a special comment coming out. We got Daniel Dennehy has just won a membership as well. Fantastic. You just won a membership. Everyone who taps the like button is winning memberships today. Everybody. I want to give away some vacation incentives. Robert has just become a member. This is daft. What did a man from Earth? Hang on. I want to give away vacation incentive to you and the members today. Can we make it happen? Vacation. Yes, we can. We can make that happen. 100 watching. If you tap the like button, you are winning memberships. We are giving free memberships away. We're giving free money, and we're about to celebrate. We got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Do you know what? Sod it. I've got to drink it now. We got another one. Noanne Maras has just become a member. Can you believe it? Cheers. I got to drink it. Oh. This is insane, folks. Look at what. Hang on. Payday. What's it?
Payday.
We got a super chat just come in from Neil's donated $2.49 for a super chat, and thank you very much indeed for that. I can't believe it. Hang on. Wow.
Wow.
More whiskey. Oh my God. It's early in the morning for this. I shouldn't be drinking like this. This is crazy. Wow, it's raining memberships. Wade Van Eysen watching. Right, we're going green. We're getting ready for the markets to open. Look at this. I'm beating Warren Buffett. I am beating Warren Buffett again.
I want to give away some vacation incentives to you and the members today. Can we make it happen?
Yes, we can. You want to promote a business, you want to give away some vacation incentives.
Slade, love you gesture.
Yes, we can. What I can do is I can set up a competition. If you have a prize to give away, whether it's a cash prize, whether it's an actual prize, whatever it is, I can set it up and we can launch the competition in the closing bell show this afternoon. Or I could launch it then if you want me to. I can also send it out in the newsletter, and we can have a link to your business where people can win tickets, and then we can give away the prize. So if you are serious and you'd like to donate a prize, you have some holiday vacation incentives you want to give away, yes, I can guarantee I can get everyone to go to your website. I can guarantee I can get everyone to, and I can guarantee it. I'm 100% guarantee it. I will get everyone to either click on your website, go to your Facebook page, go to your YouTube channel, whatever it is you want to do, tell me what you want to achieve, and I will set it up and I will make it so. I will make it so for the closing bell today. We can run a week's competition or whatever, and lots of people then can enter to win your prize, and it'll be very, very popular, I'm sure, and I can get everyone to do it. So yes, if you are serious about that, you can message me here. You can DM me in Instagram, or you can DM me in X account. If I give everybody my X account now, if you want to become my 1,000th follower, everybody, here we go. Here is my X account. If you want to if you want to talk to me about that giveaway, there is my X account. You can DM me. This is my X account, formerly known as Twitter. If you go and have a quick look there now, we are 6 away from 1,000 followers. So if everyone follows me today, let's get 1,000 followers. Everyone's become a member. Follow me on there. And this is where I post my trades before I make them. So I'm beating Warren Buffett in the market. You can see me consistently doing that. Look at my portfolio here. I am in green. Warren Buffett is in blue, and the S&P is in pink. And I beat Warren Buffett most days, let's be honest. So if you want to know my trades before I make them, follow me on X. There's the account I just showed you. I just gave you the link in the chat, and you can do that. And you can DM me there if you want to do that competition. All right. I need to get through all the comments now. We're coming up to the bell, preparing for the FOMC. Now, we're going to be live for the FOMC report today. We're going to be covering it live on the show. We've got 70 likes. Everyone who's liking the video is getting free memberships today. Good afternoon, Lucas Aids, James. Wow, Niels. Wow, Bill, Bob. You've been to that many countries. I don't know if I buy it. Rob, this is the most honest channel on YouTube TV. 100% everything I say is verifiable, checkable. This whole channel is all about trust and honesty. Everything is I say is 100% true. Also, is it true that you misappropriate the charity funds which you Rob? How disgusting of you. Don't be so rude. That's disgusting. I don't like when people spam my channel. Rob, can my moderators look out for a spammer? I will reply. I will reply to everyone, but this person is a scammer trying to manipulate the channel, so I will prove to all of you. That's disgusting. I want to just show you that on the screen because I want everyone to see that. That Rob is a scammer. So hang on a minute. I don't like when people try to discredit the show. We aim to be the most honest, and we are the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Okay, so full disclosure, this is what I do. I've been raising money all my life for charities and members. I charge nothing for the services. I could. Charities take costs. I take no costs. I take no fees. Absolutely. These are just a few of the examples of people that were very, very delighted with me raising the money. Let me show you on the screen right now. I'm going to show you a few because we don't like people like Rob coming in talking rubbish. So this person here needed support with their theatre. I raised them $11,000 on my show. When I do my fundraisers, they are free. Even though I could charge, they're free. I take no commission. And on my YouTube channel, on my music channel, when I get to 10,000 subscribers, YouTube are turning on a giving feature, which allows me to fundraise without credit card fees, without taxes, and a tax incentive to you, the donator. And also, it goes directly to the charity. I've done the global telethon for the Lions Club. So anyone comes on and tries to discredit me, we are gonna, answer them and show you. All right. This was in Dallas. Vogel Alco, I raised them $17,500 in one night. We had Bon Jovi's guitar that we auctioned live in my studio and gave away. All the money, a local lad crashed his car. I raised him $550. Local nurses, $34,000. I've got loads of these pictures. These are just some of the ones that I just like to use. This is the Lions Club, $16,000. This list goes on and on and on and on and on. I've been doing it for years. So I don't like when people come in and say stuff like that. Good work, Bill. Super Bill. Me. We got Jason Richard. Wow, says Bill. Let me get through all these. Mr. Boags joined as a member. I'm going to give everybody that joined as a member today all their perks and benefits. I'm just trying to get through everything right now. We're waiting to buy Rocket Lab as it goes back down as well. Keeping my eye on that. Mike, welcome all new members. I love it, Bill. Hi, Francesco. Let's have a look. You said it's going to be a big day. It's Billy the Kid. Paul Stone. Welcome, Zach Zate. Zach Zate's one of our charities. Zach Zate, will you tell everybody how we raise money for you in Africa? Do I ever take any fees? Do I give you all the money? Do I do it for free? Zach Zate is one of my members. Zach Zate is one of those charities that we raise money for. We're always helping him. I want one. Says, I want a membership. Alan says, welcome all. How do you get one? Tap the like and be part of the family. Build a catalyst for new members. Bill, great. Wow, thanks, Bill. This is insane. Jason Richard 11, my amigos, we're ready for today. Wow, says Mike. Bill is so generous. Well done, mate. Billy the Kid, I watch you every day. Gordon Center, thank you ever so much. Mike, 100%. Bill, wow, says Mike. Wow, I'm just getting through. It's raining memberships. This is crazy, Bill. We got to 8 minutes to go before the markets. I'm still just about on Warren Buffett right now. Billy. Wow, thanks. Dominic Webb said, thank you very much. Thanks, Bill, again. I guess today is going to be a crazy busy day. It will be. You just throw money at the show. You're amazing, Bill. Can I get a membership? Yes, just by tapping the like, getting involved. The memberships will go to those who are engaged. Raman says, thanks, Bill. Thank you very much. Bill for president. Smoke a big bowl, Bill. I'm with you. Get the whiskey out. Here we go. Where's my whiskey? James, cheers, mate. We're celebrating this morning. Oh, that's strong at this time of the morning. My God. Mr. Boags, Mr. Just Boags, not just Bogues. Just Bogues, not Boags. Mr. Just Bogues. Bogues, have I got that right? Bogues. I hope I got it right. Tell me, did I get that right? Bogues. Let's go, Sensei. Paul B. Thanks, Bill, says Gordon Center. Wow, the best day ever. Thank you, Sensei. Thank you, Sensei. Rob, Paul, did since entry like and chat. Sensei, thank you, Liam says. I guess it's a giveaway day. Hello, says Nandor Tar. Rob, thank you. Liam Jaffe, I'm trying to get, Laffy, apologise. Me, Bill has just donated 10 more memberships. I can't get through it. Big name, Dave Mottram. Hang on, I've got to get through the messages. Bill, Sensei, laughed my head off. I got to drink some more. Like the beer, Bogues draft. Okay, I've got it. I've got it right now. Henry, thank you. Jojo S. Said Mike. Liam Laffey. Paul Stone, 45 memberships. Chat's going to crash. Chat's going to crash. War Dang. The bell is 5 minutes ago. If you like the video, you're going to get a free membership. Engage the like button. Make it so. Big day. Whoops, a daisy. Careful. I nearly bust everything then. Man from Earth, thank you. I'm about to give everyone their membership benefits. Frogger just won. Bear with me. I will come back to all this in a second. I'm trying to get through every single comment. I've never been beaten before, but this is getting a little bit tight. All right, let me try. Dom, Mental. Let me just drop these over here a minute, just for the moment. It's Mental. Bill for Governor. Thank you, says Nandor Tar. He appreciated that a lot. Holy moly, you're good. Jason Fallon. Thank you very much indeed. You were talking about the singing earlier, I think. Edgar, thank you, Liam. Rob Stewart, over 80 now. 75 chat likes. If everyone liked, you're going to get memberships. Bill is the dogs. Rob Stewart, there's another one. Paul Stone, Hump the Craziest Day. Thank you, Sensei. We need 78. Love Mr. Bogues. We got it right now. If I get membership, I'll get the whiskey out too. Kieran Jones says if I get the membership, I'll get a whiskey out as well. We're all getting the whiskey out. Some of us must have hacked Bill's account. 5 super chat. Wow, what a day. It's raining membership. Liam Laffey. Rob, where are you? Rob. Who is this? Can one of my members get rid of this Rob guy? He's being offensive and he's being not pleasant. We don't want this Rob guy. Come on, my members, take care of that Rob guy. Nice Wade, Nandor, Neo, Space, become a member. It's a good day today. There's another one. We're giving away memberships for anyone who likes the video today. Space, let's go back to Space. We could try and keep an eye on it. Yes, we're at 203. Yes, so a man from Earth. I can make that happen for you. I said to you, message me on, DM me. There's another one. Message me on Instagram or on X. Promise that you'll misappropriate. Promise that you will. This Rob guy. Can we get rid of this Rob guy? Got a horrible person in here. I guess I'm bringing out the scotch. Steve Ario, cheers to you. Yes, we're celebrating. Oh my God. My son Bryson in a few days has a birthday. Then we will celebrate your son's birthday. Can't wait for it. Bravo, Mr. Bogues. Hip hooray. Wow, congratulations. We got a super chat there. Thank you ever so much indeed for that, Jojo S. This is going on for 10 minutes now, Niels. I can't believe it. Liam Laffey. We're nearly there. No way. What a day to be late. I posted your live link. Mr. Bogues, thank you so much indeed for sharing that. You should become a member, Mr. Bogues. Are you a member of my channel? Mr. Bogues, drink, Gordon Center. Let's have a quick drink. Here we go. Cheers. I'll finish it. Let's get rid of it. There we go. This is my third, and I'm absolutely loving it, says Seth. Fantastic. Shots. So we're doing. Turn up the volume for super chats. Cheers, everybody. Thank you for the membership. Steve said thank you very much indeed. Wow, a man from Earth. Liam Laffey, I'm nearly through. Thank you. 94 now. 80 likes so far. Gordon said Virgin Galactic, go. We're watching Virgin Galactic. Go, Nicola. Let's all go on a magic carpet ride. Good morning. Whiskey, says Pedro. Ed Spitzer, yo. You're missing the best show ever. Credits today will be crazy. WBA, Jojo S, Paul Stone. Nice surprise from Bill today. Incredible. Didn't expect this at all. Rob has won a membership, actually. Has he? That's why he's being able to talk like this. Otherwise, we'd ban him from the show. Safety shot. Morning from Gainesville, Florida, everyone. Hopefully that Fed makes the right decision. Let's enjoy the ride. I'll take Rob's membership. You're more than welcome. We need a membership. We got a couple of people that don't have a membership. We have Mark Saxby, who's not a member. Wow, great pictures, Martyn. Thank you so much indeed. Maybe we heard some unqualified Maybe we heard some unqualified rumors. Maybe he heard, yeah, but we're not having anything like that. We're getting rid of anyone like that anymore. There you go. Jojo S is saying, yeah, any more nonsense, you're out of here. Thank you, Jojo. I'm glad it's off today, Mr. Bogues. He's loving it. No more whiskey. I have already. Here we go. Most important. This is for the benefit of clowns like Rob. I have already said it, Martyn. You take absolutely nothing from the donations and you do it for free. That's one of our charities in Africa. Absolutely. I could charge. I could take a commission. I mean, I'm providing a service. I do it all for free. I give you these live shows for free. Okay? The bell has just gone. The bell has gone. I can't believe I missed the bell. I can't believe it. We are off. I've tried to get through all the comments. I'm sorry, guys. I could not get through all the comments. You've just overwhelmed me. For the very first time, I was unable to get through all the comments. Here we go. Let's go for our positions. Right, here we go. It's the 1 minute. Is MartynLucas going to beat Warren Buffett? Let's have a look. I am in red. Warren Buffett is in blue, and the S&P is in pink. So yes, I am beating Warren Buffett at the moment. Here we go. Let's go for our positions. So we are down on the main position. We are red. We need to turn the studio red. Here we go. And let's get ready for a great day. Berkshire Hathaway. I've got my position. Berkshire Hathaway is up. ARM. It's only worth $20. Don't buy it until it's $20. Palantir going down. I've got $1,000 in cash ready to spend, and I've also got about $4,000 I can liquidate. And all those that won memberships, I will give it to you once this 15 minutes settles down. We're doing day trading now. Here we go. Palantir is going down. Mullen. Palantir, we are now down 1.96. Mullen is going down. It's a joke stock. Don't buy it. Gold, anything under 180 is a buy. S&P going down. We're going to buy $1,000 worth of S&P today, I would imagine. Rocket Lab, I'm ready to buy Rocket Lab. Let me show you my position. I'm ready to buy Rocket Lab in a few moments if this goes through. Rocket Lab is going down. We scalp traded it yesterday 5 times. This is our scalp trade on Rocket Lab, waiting to buy it. Let's go through our positions. The S&P is up at the moment. Amazon's up, just pulling back. We've got stock here that's not showing. Let me come back to that one. Next Era Energy is up 0.13. Amazon is going down. Enphase Energy going down. Coca-Cola is going down. J&J is going up. We've got Kenvue up today. We've got CVX, Chevron today is going up. I've got another 5% to do and I will sell it. Above it in the office, taking about to catch up with Martyn. Indeed, Warren Buffett is just beating me at the moment. Warren Buffett is in blue. I am in red, so I'm losing the race at the moment. We'll fix that though. J&J going up. Kenvue going up. CVX going up. Tesla going up. Ready to buy some more. Rivian, I beg your pardon. McDonald's is up. Google going up. Microsoft up but coming back down again. Walmart is going back down. Tesco in the UK up. Tilray Brands, I'm not touching it until it's 2:30 again. It's lost direction because of the breweries. Robinhood down. IonQ imminent to coming into the UK. IonQ, Rocket Lab. Okay, if we can buy it anywhere around the 4:30, I'm going to buy it back. I scalped it for a 30%. 40% swing yesterday. 40% swing yesterday. Plug Power, we are holding and buying more. Procter & Gamble, we're out for now. Rumble, we bought yesterday and we are up 2.88. The Russell Brand incident and other things like that and the insider trading have driven the stock price down. So Rumble is a buy now. Once all the information about the institutions and the insiders selling is not happening, which it's not, this will go straight back up again. The whole Russell Brand thing, this is what I've said, you can't buy a stock which trends on macro conditions like Warren, like Russell Brand, like Donald Trump. However, it's a great opportunity to scalp this because it will go back up again. And I was down like 30% and I sold it all. When I made a profit and I bought back in, it went down 30% on all this news of Russell Brand and insider trading, and I bought it. I'm adding to it, and as you can see, I'm already up 1.74, even though it's down. I never short the stock. You don't need to short the stock. You can always make money without shorting stocks. by the companies, not the stock price. Faraday, okay, we bought Faraday yesterday. It's a rubbish company, absolutely trash. I don't like it. I'm going to get out of this, and this will provide me with another $400 today. I'm up a couple of percent. We'll let this run for a few minutes and I'll get my money out. I don't like Faraday. The company do not want to sell cars. They only want to build brands. That as an investor makes no sense. So here we go. Let me sell my Faraday. Let me see if I've got a day trade left because I used them all up. I might not have any today. Let me just check. On my Roth IRA, let me have a quick look. No, I've not got any day trades left. I can turn them off. I can trade as many times as I want. I choose not to because I earn money on stock lending. I earn money on uninvested cash more than I do having to day trade. I can wait. I can trade this tomorrow. It doesn't matter. I bought it at the bottom anyway. We can probably get a 30% swing of this one anyway. Rob is out the door. Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate that. I've been looking at Revolve Group lately, RVLV, lows, but profitable with no debt. Any thoughts? Once I get the 15 minutes out of the way of the market opening and see if I win and what we're doing with day trades, I will answer all the questions. All right, I will answer all of the questions. I won't miss anyone, and I will never miss any of the members. Just reading a comment here. Okay, just reading some comments here from one of our trolls this morning. We want nothing to do with the idiots. Get rid of those. Faraday will have a good day today. Let's have a look. Thanks, Mike. Faraday Future. You love Faraday Future. I don't. I watch and listen into all of the earnings and the arrogance of the CEO when they said we don't care about selling cars. We are about the brand. We're about building a brand. That's a slap in the face for the investors. So no, I don't like it. So who won the stock race today? I am down slightly behind Warren Buffett in the S&P. Not concerned about that today, actually, because I've got some high risk stuff added to my portfolio, which I want to trade today. So I didn't win today. Right. Anybody that answers me a question that I've missed, I will reply to every single member's question. If I missed you, come back to me, ask me, and I will answer everyone's question. So, as we've got a few moments, because the market is settling back, we're not buying Virgin Galactic here. We're not buying it until it goes to 180 again. We've already got a very good position. We've already scalp traded it. No, it's not worth buying yet. Not worth buying as a scalp position. My portfolio is coming up very, very quickly, and we're back in the green. I told you we'd go green in a few seconds, and we are. So this is my overall position. I'm about to beat Warren Buffett again. All right. So this is my overall position here. This is my Roth IRA position. Now, remember, for those who are new to the channel, I started 2.5 years ago with $5,000. I only put $4 a week in. 3 weeks ago, I upped it to $20. This week, I've upped it to $50. I'm making more money on YouTube. This is my only income. This is my bank account. This is all the money in the world I have. And now I'm up, as you can see, I'm now up to $53,535. From $5,000, you've watched me trade live. You watched where all the money's come from. I'm not just adding money willy-nilly all over the place. This is my money, all of my money. I have no money in the bank. You know how I work. This is the most honest channel on YouTube TV. All right, and so here we are. We're doing good now. We're in the green. Now then, FFIE is at 5.94%. FFIE, I bought a scalp position. This is nice. I would actually sell it now if I was able to. I could if I turn off pattern day trading, but if I do that, I will then not be able to turn it back on again. And to me, it doesn't matter at buying it here. I can make money tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll have my day trades drop off. I would rather keep stock lending. I would rather keep my uninvested cash options open. It pays me more than scalping this, but this will be sold tomorrow. Let me tell you, this will be sold. I'm making good money on it now, 5.99. Remember, you make 10% on the S&P all year. If you could make 6%, 10% in a day in 5 minutes, do it. Who cares? I'm not married to the stock. I don't care about the stock. I buy companies, and that is what I do. This particular one lost me money when I thought it was better than it was. And when I heard the presentation from the CEO who showed contempt to the investors, I said, right, you're not for the investors, you're for yourself. You're doing exactly what the CEO of Lucid did, Peter Rawlinson, driving it into the ground, paying yourself, the fourth highest paid CEO in history, by the way, on Lucid, taking all the money, $500 million a year in wages, disgusting, while the company lose $500,000 on every car, primarily to drive it to private ownership by the Saudis. We know exactly what's going on. We know the fault information, and Faraday is following the same plan. If you follow, like I do, all the earnings, you have friends at the factories, you have friends on the board, as I do. I don't buy any stock unless I make relationships with the people. On my X account, on my Instagram, I've got people that follow me from these companies. I have friends at the companies. And I'm telling you that this company, like Lucid, want to go private. They don't care about you, the investor. So I need to get my money out. Anyway, that's me. Let's have a look. Neil's. What did Neil say? Neil, I missed a comment. Let me go back. Hi, Martyn. Can you tune up volume on the super chat? Struggling to hear. The super chat is a fine volume. It's because of the music that was playing over the top. Sensei, thank you for... It's because everything got a little bit crazy there. The super chat volume is good. If you want to test it, do $1 super chat. It's good. It's because it was all going on with the explosions and the fireworks and so on. But thank you very much for bringing that to my attention. What I will do, I will adjust the music down within the mix, not the overall mix. Thank you for that. Faraday will survive and surprise Mr. Bogues. I don't know. Best of luck. Their cars look fantastic. Yeah, but their business model is rubbish. Rivian is a beautiful car in its own way. You just can't ignore when driving. Rocket Lab 445. Let me go back to Rocket Lab right now. Thank you very much. Thank you. My Roth IRA is pounding, exploding. Rocket Lab. I just sold it. Let me so you can see what's going on. I sold it yesterday for $466. See, we're not going to get it back at this buy again. We're not going to get it at $395 now. The reaction's over. So I can't buy it there again. But $449. $449. It's a good buy at this price. It overreacted. $366. I sold it not... Okay. Rocket Lab. I sold it at...
No, even before it's a bit low. Please increase.
How's it now, Sensei? How was it now? Was that good? Was it good? Tell me, was it good? Thanks for the tip, by the way. Very, very kind of you. Okay. Sell at 466. 466. This is what I've been waiting for. This was the one I wanted to buy today because this is the one that will come back. Look at my Roth IRA, folks. I'm smashing it. I'm beating Warren Buffett by a huge amount. Too low. Still too low. Really? Okay, I'll try it there. I've turned it up a bit. Look at that. I'm at 0.48. Warren Buffett is at 0.15, and Rocket Labs and the S&P is at 0.32. So I'm beating it again. So let me go. Rocket Lab now as a buy. Okay. Just bought back into Rocket Labs. Now, this is only my trading position, and I'm making money on it again. So Rocket Lab, I can buy again. I've already scalped this I don't know how many times. I've got more to buy more, but there you go. There we go. Rocket Lab's going up. This was a good buy. Rocket Lab, I'm back in on Rocket Lab. Now, remember, I've got a long-term position. I've got a very big, for my portfolio, a very large position in, percentage-wise, 5.77 in Rocket Lab. So I'm down 13% on it. I bought more yesterday because we had the CEO sold 23 million shares. That was a massive downplay. Massive. He got 328 million, sold 23 million. Everybody reacted badly. So that was an overreaction. Then we had the failure of the flight, the first one in like 2 years. So they're going to fix that. No issue at all. So I took a profit. I actually did a 40% swing yesterday. You saw me do it, a 40% swing. Rocket Lab is no longer at high value zone. Is no longer at high value. What do you mean? What do you mean, Rocket Sensei? Do you want to call and explain that comment? Rocket Labs is no longer at a high value zone. That's a high value, or do you mean low value? I'm not sure exactly your terminology. Anyway, I've just bought back in. This is a good buy for me. And this is my scalp trade position. As you can see, instantly I've made 1.19%. This is a good buy. Once they announce that that we're back on track, which they will do in about 2 months, then this is back up 20%. So my long-term position will be up. I can scalp my short-term position tax-free, and I'm happy. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very happy with that. So I hope you all took advantage of that opportunity there. That was, and thank you, Zach Zate, for spotting that, member of the family. I think it was Zach Zate, wasn't it? Rocket Lab, Buckaroony back to 450. Thank you for mentioning that. Do you think VSS Imagine will get pulled into double the current flight turnaround? Once we get the Delta fleet, then yes, we're going to be flying much, much more regularly. Let's have a look. Did I miss any comments? Repeat the comments now if I missed them. Sensei, was that better now I've turned it up? Best of luck, Bogues. Their cars look good. Yeah, cars don't make money though. We've got to make some money on the business. Look how the car looks. Not important. My next vehicle will be a Rivian. Very nice. What about the Cybertruck? Have we hit end phase bottom? Let's have a look. End phase bottom. Oh yes, we hit bottom. Yes. Yes. Cart below IPO. ARM. Are you talking about ARM? ARM is only worth $20. I told everybody, and just full disclosure, I put it out on my videos on the day in advance and told everybody, do not buy ARM. It's overpriced, and there it is. I told everybody, do not buy ARM. I'm going to make relationships at the factory, and I'm making relationships now with people there. It's overbought, overpriced. It's only worth $20. But of course, everyone gets excited because it's AI and you can't go wrong with AI. Well, you can. Right, I'm beating Warren Buffett again on the main account. Very, very good. Warren Buffett is up a little bit. I'm up double the amount. Okay, Mr. Bogues. Mike, agreed. Nicola is green. I need to know more about that. I need you to, Bogues, Right, I need to do the memberships now for all of those of you that aren't getting the benefits. I sold Rocket Lab and bought more Virgin Galactic. Not even a bit low. Please increase. No, even a bit. I think I just did. Okay, so we should be good now. I agree with your opinion, Gordon Center. Too low. Thank you. I turned it up. My internet cut out during the bell. I'm all good here now. Seth, Rocket Labs, as I'm not sure what you mean. Sell at 470. Thank you, Sensei. Sensei does all our technical chart analysis on all the stocks. He has a lot of services that you might be interested in. He means he's no longer overpriced. Okay, thank you. We do need some sound. We do need some sound. I thought I lost audio, Mr. Bogues. Everything's working fine now. I don't know what's happening there. I sold Rocket Lab at 460. Okay. I mean, low risk zone was yesterday, not where it is now. I understand what you mean. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Have you looked into ENVX long? I haven't, Jason. Unfortunately, you didn't win one of the memberships, so I can't do a back test for you. I can do that. I can do a full back test for you if you want me to. Palantir is going up. Do you know people from FFIE? No, not yet. I don't. I've got a few people that work there, but not anybody that is really useful to me right now. I don't mean that disrespectfully to the friends of the friends who work there, but I haven't got anything credible yet. Anyway, my next car, Robin Reliant. No, I meant Cart, which IPO'd yesterday, went to 42, now it's 31s. IPOs do not do well at the moment. They haven't done statistically for a while. Okay, Paul Stone. Thank you, Paul Stone, for the super chat. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate that immensely. Let me just celebrate a super chat. Thanks, mate. Thank you, Paul Stone. Thank you for the super chat, mate. Much appreciated. By the way, when you do a super chat, you can put a comment and it will read it out. So if you want to actually be on the show and have your comments read out, you can put a comment below the super chat. Oh, hello. He's doing it now. Shall we listen in? Here it comes. This is from Paul Stone. We're going to get a wonderful little super chat now. I love it. Bit of Cornwall. Here we are, my lover, my booty. Here it comes. Paul Stone. Here it comes. We all know what's coming, right? You can see it in the chat. They're going to read it out.
Oggy, 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 oi, oi, oi.
That was a bit quick. You need to put commas in between, but getting better. You're getting the hang of it. But because it was so good, I think the least we could do is play it again, because it went through so quick and you paid $2 for it, but you didn't put commas in between. You ready? We'll try it again.
Oggy, 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 oi, oi, oi.
Not too bad. You need to put commas and full stops in between, but very, very good. Thank you very much indeed for that. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, now then, where are we? Now then, did I get a direct message on X today? Oh, hang on a minute. No, I didn't get a DM. I didn't get a DM today from the person that wanted to give away vacations. Still a bit quiet. Is it still a bit quiet? Okay, I'll make you're listening to it. I will take that. Let me super chat. Okay.
This is a test super chat alert for $17.
All right. How was that? That was a test. Let me make a tweak. I'm making a tweak for Sensei. Apparently it's not loud enough. Sound, image. Text. Sound volume. Right. Aha. Okay. Right. All right, I've turned it up. When's the Fed? When's the Fed? In about 2 hours' time. We'll be covering it live on the show. Now then, hang on a minute. Okay, I've made an adjustment. Okay, now then. Doesn't seem to be going up in volume. I've turned it up again. My bad. I thought anyone who liked the video got a membership. We were giving away many memberships today. Many memberships today. We must have given away 30 or 40. And to win the memberships, it was rewarding those who were most engaged, those who were liking, those who were commenting the most. Obviously, Jason, you just wasn't commenting as much as others. And unfortunately, it didn't pick you. Unfortunately, you can become a member yourself. Here, if you wish to do so, here is the membership, and you get many perks and benefits. But it didn't pick you, unfortunately, to win one today. I'm sorry about that. It didn't. But so I will answer everyone's questions. I just have to focus on the members because, as you can see, it gets very busy, and I try to, I have to focus on the members. All right. But I will come back if I can. I will. When's the Fed? Right. You want to know when the Fed is? Now, this is the Fed event today. We're going to be live for the Fed. This is the Fed the later on. Here is the event. If you want to, this video, when I end, will take you directly to this video. If you want to be the first person to comment and you already want the link for it, here is the Fed. I'm going to give it to you now. Okay. Fed meeting live. Okay, I will give it to you. There it is in the chat. I will also pin the message to the top of the chat. All right, so now you can see it. Thanks for all the whiskey, by the way, folks. We've drunk the whiskey now. That was a bit of fun. Okay, good morning all. So if you want to be the first person to leave a comment, leave a like, there it is. You can go there now. I've given you the link for it. So you can get yourself ready for the Fed, okay? We're going to cover it live on the show, and then we'll be discussing it and trading it and everything else. Let's go back to the main position here. Okay. When's the Fed? I've given you the link now. Mike, you have 84 watching and 84 likes now. Yes, we do. That's 100% engagement. Phenomenal. I tell you what we're going to do. Let's see if we can do it. There might be a few more memberships for free for those who want to engage. Let's do it. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on the channel, and then I'm going to go for all my stocks and see what we can do, okay? And then I'm going to give everyone their benefits that got memberships today, okay? Here we go. Right, there's 85 watching, 85 likes, 100% engagement rate, 86. There you go. Let's see if we can get 100 likes, 84 watching. Some people might be here, haven't tapped the like. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to... Henrik has become a member. I'll talk about that in a second. If you tap the like button, why I ask you to tap the like button and why other people on YouTube ask you. The reason for this is this. I don't know about them, but I'm not trying to get subscribers. I'm not trying to get the biggest channel. I'm trying to get the best, most honest, most live, most real, most engaged channel on YouTube TV. So I ask you to like the video because if you like it, it will suggest my content to you. And every day that you like it, it will suggest my lives, my content, so you won't miss anything. If, however, you don't like me, and that's fine, I probably don't like you either, tap the down like button, okay? and then you won't be shown my content anymore, and you'll be shown what you want to see.
Henrik Lucas has become a member.
There we go. Fantastic. Thank you, Henrik. Just become a member. So that's the reason why I'm asking you to do that, okay? So tap the like button if you want my content, and please do. And I've shown people my analytics. I get 99.5% up like. You might say, well, why isn't it higher? Because a lot of people just don't vote. They don't sign in, they don't log in, and they don't do anything, sadly. That's just the way it is. A lot of people do that. Anyway, right. I need now to give our members who became members today all their perks. So everyone paying attention. Henrik from Denmark. Henrik flies the flag. Now then, first of all, if you got a membership today that you bought like Henrik, you will get every single perk. Those of you that won a membership will get everything apart from, until you renew next month, if you do, you'll get everything apart from Discord. Discord only gets given to you because it's very special and very powerful. Only gets given to you if you renew next month. In other words, your badge needs to be green. Okay, it needs to be green. Blue is when you first join. Now, if you bought your membership today, then you'll get everything. But if you want it, you won't get Discord added until you renew and become green. So this is what's going to happen right now. If you just got membership, free or bought it, you get all these benefits. You've got a badge now. You're recognized as a member of the channel. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube TV. Go and check. 95% of our live viewers are members. Higher than Mr. Beast, higher than the BBC, higher than Sky News, higher than Bloomberg, higher than anyone. Okay? We're very, very proud of that. It's because we go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm here to help people. Now, the memberships is to support the show. Initially, that's why it's there. The price will never, ever go up, ever. But the services and perks and benefits will always go up. I will always give more, but the benefits, the price will never go up. As a member, you can now ask me a question and I will answer every one of your questions. How do you renew the membership? Steve asked. Here's the link, which is the membership link. You can set auto renew. That's what my members do. They have auto renew on the homepage of the channel. You can see the membership link. I've just given you membership here, and you'll need a browser. And this is the membership page here. You will see, all the memberships here. And if you're not a member, you can renew, but you do need a browser. You can't do it on your phone. I don't believe. Some devices you can, some you can't. My portfolio is beating Warren Buffett by a long way now, and I'm beating the S&P as well. It's very, very good. Anyway, so you'll be recognized as a member. You can ask me to review a stock. I will do a full 10-minute back test if I've got time. I will also answer all your questions. If it gets too busy, I will prioritize to the members. So in a few moments, we might go over to members only so I can answer all the members during the FOMC report to focus on providing you, the members, the best service. I'm live every day, up to 10 hours a day, because of the membership support. Otherwise, I couldn't be here. I would be a YouTuber making videos to get you to get you to watch to make money. I do make videos, but 99% of what I do is go live and sit here in person with a community. That's what the membership's for. As a member, also, you can get access to all the members-only live events, all the members-only live chats, all the members-only videos. There's on the homepage of the channel, look, all these members-only videos. You can now watch all these. If you're a silver member, or a sponsor, I put you on the homepage of the channel and get everyone to subscribe to you, everyone to follow your channel. You can do one of our competitions and donate a prize as a member now, and I will give and I will get everyone to click on your website, go to your Instagram, go to your Twitter account, whatever. And that is really powerful. And because we are the most engaged channel on YouTube, my members will support the members. So they will go to your website, they will go to your YouTube channel, they do all these things. You get all those benefits. Also, as a member, you get your birthday treat on your birthday for you, or you can donate it to a family member the day before, the day of, or the day after. If you ever go silver, you go on the homepage, plus a 20-minute fundraiser or a 20-minute event. Maybe you have a wedding, anniversary, you can have that for free online. Now, people pay me thousands of dollars to do their weddings online. You get it for free as a silver member. As a bronze member, you get the birthday. Now, also, there are many other perks, discounts at the shop. There's loads of things. But also, you get access to Discord. Now, Discord, I forgot. If you follow me on social media as well, I will comment to you. I will reply to all your comments, answer all your questions. Here is my X account, formerly known as Twitter. Let me give it to you in the chat. As a YouTube member, I will answer all of your questions, reply, post all my links of what I'm buying before I buy it, before I sell it. I did it all day yesterday, like 5 times on my X account. And whoever clicks on me now on my X account, I'm about to become 1,000 followers. You're going to be my 1,000th follower. So go and follow me now. And there's my X account, and I will always reply back to you. Lastly, you get Discord. Now, Discord is very, very important, very, very powerful because, hey, Mike just sent in one of his mugs. Look, he's got one of my investor mugs. Look, there you go. Thanks, Mike. Now, every morning in the breakfast bar, all our members come in, share a cup of coffee, what they're doing. They share stock news, what they're buying, what they're selling. And remember, this isn't a channel like other channels just designed to promote and pump their own interests. We are sharing what we are buying. Stock news, my members post links to different events, different things. And this is what they're buying, what they're actually seeing, what they're actually doing. And I will discuss it in the show. You can share links. You can provide loads of things. You can also call in live to the show. You can be live on the show. In the broadcast lounge here, you can call in. You can actually phone in, share links, shared screens. You can show your charts. You can ask me questions. You can ask the audience questions. You can do that as a member. Now, to access Discord, this is for only the people that bought memberships. For those of you that won memberships, I can give you access to Discord. I just can't upgrade you as a YouTube member so you can call in and have all the exclusive channels. So here is Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through because we've got the highest level of security. If you want to see all our trades, what's going on, all the contacts that I have with all the different things I share with you, that's all in Discord. There is Discord. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. Okay? Once you go into Discord, you will appear here in the welcome all screen. You will come here. This is where you'll come, and I will say hello to you. So hello, there you go. You will be here, and I will upgrade you manually and make you a YouTube member, and then you can have all those benefits and perks. Okay, all right. So that's it. I think I've covered everything. Any questions, please ask me. Paul Stone. Hey, we did it! Fantastic! 1,000 followers on Paul Stone is my 1,000th follower. Nice one, Paul. Cheers, mate. I really appreciate that. That's a big day for me. Do you know 95% of accounts on X, Twitter, have under 1,000 followers. So I am now in the top 5% of X accounts. Thank you. It means a lot. And let me tell you, I'm just going to take a moment just to share that with you. It's a huge honor because X is a lot harder to grow than any other platform. It's designed really for celebrities, big people, and regular folks like us, me and you. We we watch, we look at Elon Musk, we look at our celebrities, whatever. So it's designed for the big celebrities and people following their favorite celebrity, right? So it's very, 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 very hard to grow because all you're doing is posting your thoughts. It's not like a video on YouTube, which is searchable and trending and so on. I mean, that's hard to grow on YouTube, but on X, people are following you because they like what you have to say. That's it. So 1,000 people want to know what I have to say. So I want to thank everyone that took the time to follow me on X, and I will do everything I can to provide you the best information, the most honest, real information that is possible. Reply to all your questions. Thanks to all of you that have followed me. I can't believe it. 1,000 followers. Thank you so, so much. Some people go, who cares? I care a lot. This is my full-time job, and it's been very hard to get there. But that's great. I'm very excited. Thank you, Paul Stone, for doing that. That's really good. Brilliant. 1,000. Okay, no sweat. Loved the show. Bought a little more Rocket Lab at $4.49. Yes, Rocket Lab definitely 100% convicted in knowing that's a good buy today. I've got some more cash to buy some more if it goes lower as well. All right. Good morning, all. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Queen, can I share the photograph that you sent me? Queen, can I send the photograph that you text me? If you say yes, I will share it. Mr. Bogues, when you stop talking, it's eerily quiet. Yes, it is. Hey, Queen. Chasing news. Hi, Martyn. Regarding the Fed, what are your thoughts? Pause. Who is this? It didn't even read it out as well. And the reason why it didn't read it out is it's below a certain amount. That's terrible. Who was that? Who sent that in? Let me just look at that. Can we get rid of that person, please? We've got another clown today coming in. Horrible people. They see you growing and they don't like it. Okay. Now, I know why this is. Let me read this a minute. Okay, I'm going to share it on the screen because I'm going to. I want to expose this. Unfortunately, this was done through crypto giving. So the only way I can stop this is increase the amount they have to donate to get their name mentioned. That is what's happening here. And I'm going to share on the screen what this person said, just so we can be fully open and honest about it. Look, person said here, I have it on very good authority that your charitable events are in fact a front for gross misappropriation of funds. What a disgusting load of rubbish nonsense that is. Everything I've done is live in front of everyone. I know who you are, and you're a very sad person for trying to discredit my account, and you'll never do that because everything here is you can't slay him because he's doing it through crypto giving. And I'm going to read the last part. Whilst your background as a failed musician may be authentic, so my background, he's saying my music background is authentic, but apparently I'm a failed musician. Thank you very much. Your charitable fundraisers are not. Buck up, stink. Well, that is disgusting, and that was done through crypto giving. So what we'll do is we can sort that, because what we do is we up. we will. If I can't stop people from doing that, but I can up the limit they have to pay, and I can just not allow them. I can't block them, but I can stop showing these comments. But I wanted to read it out. So just so everyone is absolutely clear, I go live every day for free. I earn no money from live shows. I make money from super chats, memberships, and so on. If you don't give me any super chats, I don't make any money. I do it because I want to build the best, most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. The person doing this was banned from my show, but they're able to try to discredit it. They're sitting there laughing. They think it's funny. It's not funny. It's disgusting, because we've got real charities that have benefited from my charitable events all over the world. When I do a charitable event, including the Lions Club, the largest fundraising group in the world, more members than any other organization, they actually get me to do the telethon for them. I did it on Valentine's Day a couple of years ago. And when I do fundraising events, I don't charge for it, even though I could. I don't take any of the money. It goes directly to the charity. So how could I possibly do anything that was untoward? I'm a UK citizen, a taxpayer. I'm a taxpayer, green card holder in the United States. Everything I do is through YouTube. Everything is I pay tax. I'm an LLC, publicly traded company. Everyone knows. Not publicly traded company, I beg your pardon, limited company, LLC. Everything is accountable, everything is verifiable, and I don't make any money from me. I don't make any money. So I find that very offensive, and so on. So we will, if we're going to get that nature of comment, what I will do is I will up the amount that you have to tip on crypto giving. And also, if I see it's offensive, it will just be taken off the screen. So for those of you that are thinking of doing that, it's going to cost you money to do that, and I will just take it off, and it won't even read it out. That's why it didn't read it out already, because of the amount. All right, but I did show it because I wanted everyone to see what happened there. Yeah, you can't block those, unfortunately. It's unless I turn off that feature, crypto giving, which I don't want to do because a lot of people support me with crypto tips. Yes, you can, says the Queen of Self-Braiding. When is the Fed talking? The Fed is talking when this show starts here. When this show starts here. This is when the Fed will talk here. This is the live event. You can see it in your time zone. I'm going to give it to you now. It's in the chat, pinned to the top. Here it is. I'll give it to you. You can go there now, leave a comment, a like. When this goes live, that's when the Fed will be talking. We'll cover it live. We'll be there. Congratulations, Mark Saxby. Chasing News 1,000. Yes, congratulations, Martyn. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Congratulations. Yes, you can. All right. Now, the Queen of Self-Braiding is one of our family. She's one of our members. Now, let me just find her a second. You may notice she's in the chat. She's a moderator. She doesn't have a membership at the moment because she's going through tough times. She's been a member the entire time. Sadly, though, she's had a bad bit of luck. And I wanted to share the comment. I wanted to share the image here. Unfortunately, a few days ago, and this is why Queen currently isn't a member, because she's got a lot to deal with. She had quite a serious accident, and she was injured, so not very good at all. So let me share with you. This is the Queen of Self-Braiding. She texts me her picture of her car. Look at their car, look. So her car hasn't fared very, very well, has it? So Queen, thanks for allowing me to share that with everybody. But there you go. Our love goes out to you. So could everyone put some love in the chat for the queen of self-branding, she's not having a particularly good time at the moment, as you can see. All right. Okay. Sorry, I misspelled it. I was wondering if you knew anything on charge point. Seth, let me have a look. Seth, you are a member. Let me come back to that in a minute. I've got some time now. What a lovely message. Says Niels. Congratulations, Martyn, on 1,000 followers, now to 10,000. Yeah, idiots. Yeah, I can't slay them. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mike, unfortunately. There may be, what I'll do, there may be a filter of words I can put in, negative words I can put in. So if anyone says, I don't know, lie, scam, any negative word like that, I'll find a way. There's always a way for me to take care of those people, because as we grow, we're going to get more of it. It's just inevitable. We know who's doing it, by the way. You all know. Shall we share with everybody? No, in fact, I won't. We all know it. All the members know who's doing it. Don't take it to heart, Martyn. I won't. It doesn't bother me anymore. A little bit it does, but I just want to read it all out. He or she is not worth the time on your platform. Block them and report them. Hi, I should invest more. Should I invest more in space? Jess Stuck. I can't comment. I don't know your position. At 196, I am looking to buy some more Virgin Galactic. Look at my portfolio now. We're doing very, very well. I'm beating Warren Buffett again today, and I'm beating Berkshire Hathaway and the S&P again. You can see it's consistently doing well, so I'm very, very happy with that. We haven't got any of our members coming to Discord yet. Stephen Lewandowski is there waiting to welcome you in. Look, Stephen went in and said, hello, everybody. So if you come on in, we will bring you in. So I am looking to buy more Virgin Galactic at this level. It's got a few more cents to go. I've got a long-term position, but I am also adding to a scout position as well. Let me go back to my Rocket Lab. They're the few things I'm looking at. Virgin Galactic, okay. Should I invest more in space? I don't know your financial position. If you want to call in, Jess, be on the show, you can. Kelly, just subscribe. Thank you very much. People are just mean. Mr. Bogues, it gets more. As we grow, it gets more. And the person actually that I'm referring to basically tried to manipulate the channel. Basically offered me lots of money to manipulate the channel, and did it very subtly over time when I was a small channel, because he said the channel was the most honest, real channel, and really enjoyed it. And we actually found out it was actually working for an agency promoting stocks, rubbish stocks mostly, and using YouTubers to influence stocks. And he would give me money. And when I realized what was going on and he wanted me to manipulate and promote certain stocks just for money, I said no. And I took him off the show, and he gave me lots of money building up this friendship, and he got very bitter about it, and he sends people in from the BSV army and stuff like that to do stuff like this. This is exactly what's going on, and we've been able to filter it and get rid of it, and we are doing more of it all the time, raising the bar, raising the security, and raising the cost for them to be able to comment as well. But it's part of it, because he knows, and everyone here knows, that we're on target within 2 years to be at 100,000 subscribers and 1 million subscribers within actually 4 years, and we're growing 10x all the time. We're like, faster and faster, and people are going to want to manipulate my channel. We had someone offer me 500 super chats, $5,000 to promote Tilray, and again I said no. I am growing because it is real and it is honest, and no one can buy me. No one can buy me. You can support me, and you can encourage me to talk about something, of course, but you can't manipulate me to make up stories to promote your interests, because my interest is my members and my audience, not me making money. It never has been, never will be. That's why I'm live. That's why you see everything. So that's why they're doing it. I'm from Turkey. What do you think about SMTC? Borsa. Welcome to you, Borsa. I don't have an opinion on that stock, I'm afraid. Again, if you become a member, I will gladly review it for you. I'll give you the membership link if you wish to do that. We've actually got a member from Turkey. Do you want to hear from one? Do you want to hear from a friend in Turkey? We did a fundraiser for Turkey, and again, all the money went directly to Oxfam, supporting those in Turkey. We did a whole series of videos when the earthquake happened. And this is our friend from Turkey. I've got him here. It was, that's a guy from Iran. Ed, Cherry, Zach, Oze. This is the guy from Turkey after we did our fundraiser concert. So this is for you, Borsa. This is a guy called Oze from Turkey.
You should be always feel up, Martyn. You're doing a great job, and the people around you, you surround yourself with the people like yourself, which is it's a lot. It's a lot, man. Like even like whoever in this moment listening this, like I'm sure like we all have our own things to deal with. But between these things, you're just giving at least a couple of minutes to feeling what we are feeling in here. It's a grateful, like I'm very thankful for that, and I'm wishing you all the best.
Raman, I would love to be able to donate a membership to Queen. I can't pick someone. When you donate memberships like Bill did and Sensei did, it randomly picks people who are watching who aren't members. So until everyone's a member, I can't pick someone. So if Queen could get a membership, if there were more gifts, unfortunately, the gifts have all been claimed, and Queen wasn't in when they were being given out. If she'd have been in when they were given out, she would. Thank you very much indeed. I've just had a cup of coffee. Can I give this back? Or tea? Did you see that comment earlier about the charity thing? Apparently, I'm trying to do tax evasion on charity giving now, and the whole thing is some way so I can scam money. Yeah, he's back, isn't he? Anyway, just telling Liam, that's my wife, what's been going on. Get well. Here's one of our gold members, Jose Quintana. Get well soon, Queen. Hi, Mike. Could it be Rob? It could. But I think I know who it is. But they're all part of a little gang. It's part of the BSV community. It's quite disgusting, really. I was there. I was with my son Enoch, and he is traumatized. Enoch joined us on the show yesterday. I thought someone had hacked your account, Queen. Enoch comes in yesterday and says, "Hello, I'm Enoch." And I went, "Who the hell's this?" This is the Queen's. And I forgot it was your son. And I was hit on the head on the highway. We're so sorry about this. Thank you, Jesse. I do talk about Virgin Galactic a lot. I study it a lot. I've got people on the ground at work at Virgin Galactic. Follow me on my X account, Instagram. Here we go. It's Peru and his merry men. They literally must have so much time on their hands. It's actually sad that they're trying to tear down Martyn. Keep your head up, mate. Thank you, Liam. Sorry to hear, Queen. When is JP speaking? Here, JP is speaking here. This is live. We'll be live at this event. If you want to click on this, it'll take you to the video. You can see what time it is in your time zone, because I don't know where you are in the world, obviously. There is the link. Okay, there's the link for the live event. We've got a couple of hours to go yet before he speaks. Zach Zate, so sad. Be well, Enoch. Get well, Queen. Now, Mr. Bogues became a member, and I want to do something for him. I also bought more Virgin Galactic. Yeah. Oh, rum down 5%. Okay. I nearly sold that this morning, but it's going to be affected by what's going on with Russell Brand right now. By the way, quick conversation here. I'd like your opinions and views here. Share with me in the chat. Russell Brand, we all know Russell Brand is a comedian in the United Kingdom. He has been accused of some very serious allegations. He makes his money out of YouTube, and they've taken away his benefits on YouTube. What do you think about that? Do you think they should wait until he was convicted? What do you think? I'd like your thoughts on that. Anyway, I also bought more Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at it. SPCE. I'm waiting to do it. Thank you, everybody. Mo is on his way to donate 50. Just some Ethereum to go. Right, throw out the rubbish. Yes, Mr. Bogues. The wound on his leg is healing steadily. Oh dear. We're so sorry to hear this. I'm driving almost 200 miles every day and see crazy things. Please drive safe and drive for each other. Drive each other. Well, we have to. What our channel does is we speak to everybody. We acknowledge everyone, including you. Now I'm talking to you, so we have to address everyone. We can't censor. We can't become, just picking the bits I want. I agree with you. They do take some attention away from the show. However, people follow this show because it's real. I do limit the time, but I answer everyone, including I'm answering you now. And you're not a member, but I am answering you. Everyone gets a voice. Everyone gets a chance. And, I agree, but it's how Martyn works. Yeah, we do monitor it, though. Free Saw, good afternoon. So, Zach, is that Irish coffee? No, just a regular cup of coffee this time. Martyn, what do I need to do to donate a membership to someone else? What you do is you go here. I'm now going to come back to Mr. Bogues, actually, before we get ready for the FOMC report. If you go here to the chat where you are right now, and you can go here and you can click here and you can go membership gifting. See that there? Look, membership gifting. You can buy 1, 5, 10, 20, 50. And basically everyone who's not a member in the chat will win. And nearly everyone is a member. There's a few people, but there's a chance that Queen might win if that's what you're trying to do. You can't pick the person, but to be honest with you, nearly every single person is a member. So the chances are quite in your favor. But I can't tell you. That's how you do it. It supports the channel and also supports the person as well. All right. Okay. So now, Mr. Bogues. Hi, Fatso's Talks. I'm doing well, Liam. Mr. Bogue, let me scroll up. Mr. Bogue made a comment. Something he wants. He became a member this morning. Let's have a quick look. Let me have a look. I don't want to miss his comment. Just bear with me. I'm looking up. We've got time before the the FOMC. Our positions are all good. We're holding our positions. Right, I'd love your opinion on SHOT. I'm building a huge position in this. Okay. Virgin Galactic, we want to buy it below 190. We also want to buy Rocket Lab as well. Let me just bring this up now. Okay, fine. So we're going to SHOT. He wants to look at SHOT. Now, as a member, would you like me to do a full back test for you? Okay. How long is it? Would you like me to do that? It's been around since 2020. Okay. All right. If you want a full back test, a 10-minute review, Mr. Bogues asked me, and as a member, I will do that for you. More than happy. Just waiting for your comment. Scrolling down, making sure I get all the comments here. My opinion on NIO is I would never touch it. I don't like the company. I would just rather buy Tesla. I don't like cheap. I don't like rubbish. I don't like Chinese manipulation. So I think it's rubbish. So no, I'm not interested in that stock at all. Right. I'm just waiting for Mr. Bogue to come back and say Russell is being cancelled for almost for going against the system. Media absolutely should not be stopped from monetizing YouTube. Absolutely should not be stopped from monetizing YouTube. Russell is being cancelled for going against the system. Yeah, I just wondered what your thoughts were on that this morning. Anyway, Mr. Bogue, let me know. Do you want a back test on that? Gladly do it. In case you didn't forget about ChargePoint, please. Okay, Seth, let me bring up ChargePoint. While we're waiting for Mr. Bogue to come back. So ChargePoint. What is the ticker symbol for ChargePoint? There it is. ChargePoint, we got it. Yes, sir, he would. Okay, fair enough. Okay, we got a few minutes, so let's focus on now. This next few minutes isn't designed to be entertaining or fun or exciting or anything like that. It's for a member, just one-on-one for a member, to give some service to a member. Hey, folks, just gotta tell you this. You remember what happened when we were getting to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we had the little army of you-know-who's coming in, and what they did was they created loads of false accounts. They subscribed, so I got right up to 10,000, and as I hit 10,000, kept unsubscribing, so I just couldn't get there. Do you remember that? And you remember I said to you, I wonder if they will do it on X. Well, they have, but this time they're not as powerful. Look, see that? These are the same sort of people, the same sort of sad people that have nothing of their own, and to make them feel more important. And I'm saying this because it's a life lesson for everybody, right? When you work hard and you do something and you succeed, because you always succeed if you work hard and you commit and give the best of yourself. A billionaire, Mark Cuban, once told me, he said, Martyn, be the best of yourself and you'll always win because you're the only person who's you. Be the best of yourself. So you work hard. Now, people that don't work hard, lazy, they want to like leech on somebody else, like this person was trying to pay me to promote stuff. They do everything they can. Now, there's people in this little army that have created accounts to follow me. So when I got near 1,000, they would unfollow. Like we had it on YouTube, it's now happening here on X. Look, see that? Just thought I'd share it with you. So the reason for sharing it with you is because if you are doing something in life and you're giving it your heart, you're giving it your all, and as soon as you start getting somewhere, people try to bring you down, realize actually it's a compliment that you're growing because you are now a target. You are attackable, and all it's doing is showing how insecure and a lack of success they have had, because it makes them feel important to attack someone who's being successful. It makes them feel better about themselves. It's just a shame that they feel that way. So I actually feel sorry for them, but we'll succeed, and we'll probably within 24 hours we'll be 1,010, and it won't matter, and they can unfollow all they like. But that's what happens. So if you're doing something in life and people keep putting you down, it's because you're doing something right. Don't worry about it. Be the best of yourself, and don't worry about it. Always just live your life and don't care. I wish everyone the best. And look, this is just the point. If you're honest and you're positive, you get comments like Andrew. I've just started following on X, so it should be 1,000 again. There you go. Andrew, thank you very much. We'll always win. The positive energy, love, honesty will always win. You've just got to go through the parasites on the way up, I'm afraid. It's just the way life is. Anyway, let me focus on our friend here, Mr. Bogues. Safety shot. Now, unfortunately, this hasn't got much history, so the back test isn't that effective. It's only from, if we look at its all time, it's only from 2020 when it went public. That's all we can really compare it to. So we're going to go at 2020. So it's not going to give us much information, but we'll do it nevertheless. In fact, yes, and of course we'll have the IPO pop, but we can't really do it much less because there is really no history. So I'm going over to my portfolio visualizer now, and I'm going to do an analysis on it. So 100% of my portfolio is in short, and now I'm doing the S&P 500 and 100% there. Analyze the portfolios. Short was unknown. Shot is unknown. Why is shot unknown? Okay, safety. Safety shot. Well, that's unusual. It's not appearing on my backtest software. Safety shot. I don't know why. It's not an ADR. It's not over the counter. I don't know. Is what is? Oh, is it? It could be an over the counter. Is it OTC? Hang on a minute. Could be that. So I'm unable to do a full back test on it because it's not showing in my software for the name or the ticker, I'm afraid. So I can't do a full back test, sadly. It's not that effective over a short period. Yes, it's called having the tall poppy syndrome. I don't know why it's not showing. So anyway, we can't do a full 10-minute back test on it. So all I can do is give you my initial reaction on it. So let's have a look at it. What is Safety Shot? Safety Shot engages in the business of developing CBD oil. Okay. Based medicinal therapeutic cells and developments. Therapeutics are well, okay. I'm familiar with this industry very much. I've done a lot of research in the cannabis sector and sales of merchandise sold to the theme park segments. Okay. I've done a lot of research in the cannabis sector. Okay. 10 employees, a very small company, 2018. It's a 40 million, very small company, 40 million. Its price to earnings ratio is negative 248, so it's losing money. It doesn't come with a dividend. It's a very much a penny stock. Remember, anything under $5 is a penny stock. Let's look at its earnings. It's bouncing all over the place. Started in Q3 22, and it was losing money. It met expectations and just basically matched it. And then it went down. And then it came back up again. They're not making any money yet, but companies 2 years old don't. They have to invest. Now then, my initial reaction, and I've done a lot of study in this company, is when is JP speaking? You keep asking me that, Af, and I keep giving you the answer. It's here on this video here. I've given you the link. It's pinned to the top of the chat. I'll give it you again. That gives you the start time of the event in your time zone. Go and have a look, and it tells you. I've explained it. I've answered that question at least 4 times. Anyway, first of all, I've done a lot of work in the cannabis sector. For me, I only want when I buy a company, and I buy companies, not stocks. When I buy a company, I am looking first of all to build relationships with the people that work there. Find out what makes them unique, proprietary. Are they the number one in their sector? Are they undervalued? What's their loan position, their debts, their cash flow? I look at all of that. I study the balance sheet. I go to all the earnings. I report all the earnings live on the show. You've seen me do it for all the companies that I buy. That's my fundamentals of how I buy a stock. I buy a company, okay? And then I make relationship with friends and I see what's going on and I talk, get the sentiment. And I like to see the people that buy the stock around it, which is why I always look down here. And I like to see what other companies people are buying in this sector. And this gives me an indication of market sentiment. Who's going to short the stock? Who's going to pump the stock? What people are saying on Reddit, because everyone on Reddit is just a bunch of scammers and they just promote stocks and talk rubbish. All that kind of stuff. I like to see that as well. Now, this has got Tilray Brands. And the reason why I mention Tilray Brands specifically is because if I'm going to buy a cannabis-related business, it has to be Tilray. Tilray are the number one cannabis company pretty much in the world. Even though recently they've lost direction and I made a 30% profit and told everybody, don't buy it. It's going to go up on the news of the letter that was sent into Congress about changing the schedule from 1 to 3, about the time to get through Congress, all of that. A lot of false information, moving into breweries that aren't that good, diluting arguments on the board, all of that stuff. However, so I took a profit. It went back down, done it twice. The true fundamental value of Tilray now is about $2.20 for me. That's the value of it, undervalued, and that's the value to buy it. Other than that, it's just gambling, and I don't gamble. If I'm going to buy cannabis, I'm absolutely going to buy Tilray. I'm not going to buy Safety Shot. Anything under $5 is a penny stock. When it approaches $1, we're getting very close to it being, and this was 27 cents. We're talking about a stock now which is really, going through a reverse split to keep it on the index. When that happens, they can't raise funds. This is a very dangerous place to buy this company. And people like Tilray buy out these companies. So I don't see any point buying this. This is not for me. I'm sorry. And Mr. Bogues is very excited about it. But you're saying it's not cannabis? What do you mean it's not cannabis? It's CBD oil. How is it not cannabis? Have I missed something? Of course it's the cannabis sector. What am I missing? What am I missing? He's saying it's nothing to do with cannabis. CBD oil, that's what it is. Is the Fed meeting today? Yes, they are, Chris. We're going to cover it soon, live on the show. It's about lowering alcohol level by 50% in less than Safety Shot. Am I missing the point here? Safety Shot engaged in the business of developing CBD-based medical therapeutics and wellness products. CBD is cannabis. Hang on a minute. Let me read this. Let me go into the company information. If I've got that wrong, I apologize. Safety Shot. Kind of makes sense what you're saying with the name. But it's still this cannabis business, surely. Safety Shot. Let me have a look at this a minute. Yeah, used to be Jupiter Wellness. Let's have a look. Healthcare beverages. Hang on. Let me read into this a minute. World's first rapid blood out detox drink is in production. Okay, I beg your pardon. Let me just understand more. I assume this was a cannabis company. This is my first time of looking at it, right? So I apologize. my correction. Okay, I've got some information here from a credible source I can rely on. Okay, let me have a quick look. Let me share this with you. It was formerly Jupiter, a diverse company that supports health and wellness. Today announced it has engaged established contract manufacturer, Safety Shot in Q4, recently acquired wellness Safety Shot, the world's first blood alcohol detox drink, will debut in a 12-ounce sleek can. I apologize, Mr. Bogues. I've corrected that now. CBD is an ingredient in cannabis, yes. I apologize. I was assuming it was a cannabis business. Then take back what I said about Tilray. It's about lowering alcohol by 50% in less than 30 minutes. Okay. Safety Shot. CBD is an ingredient. Okay, thank you. I have given Safety Shot to dozens of people now, and trying to drink is believing in the drink. We look forward to allowing members of the media to come see Safety Shot's incredible results for themselves, stated Jupiter Wellness CEO Brian John. We've created a multi-channel strategy designed to dominate e-commerce quickly, win retail shelf space, and establish long-standing ties with the key distribution and sales partners. So, enjoying an alcoholic drink with no fear of a hangover. People drinking Safety Shot can also cut their intoxication level in half within 30 minutes. Safety Shot's patented formula accelerates the process of converting alcohol into sugar in the body. Right. So let's discuss that then. So essentially what you're saying is this is a drink that will lower the alcohol level by turning it into sugar. What is the point of that? What is the point of that? Yes, I understand that that's their previous company. They took over from Jupiter, but that's what the drink is, right? Mr. Bogues, do you know you can call in and we can have a conversation? You can actually phone into the show, Mr. Bogues. You can be live on the show through Discord and you can discuss with me. I'm giving you this time now. I'm giving you 10 minutes because I can't do a back test because it's not available. But it's a drink. Yes, I understand it's a drink. You drink it and it will lower your alcohol content in your bloodstream by turning it into sugar. How is that? What is the point of that? If I am drinking an alcoholic drink, it's because I want to get drunk. I want to feel drunk. I mean, that's the point, right? I've never heard of this. This is something very interesting to me. Why would you want to what's the point? And if you're turning the alcohol into sugar, then you're just going to get fat doing it. I mean, I don't know. What is the benefit to that? Tell me what the benefit is. How is that a wellness drink turning alcohol into sugar? Surely you just wouldn't drink alcohol. So you can drive, but what's the point? What, you go into a bar, you get drunk, and then you go outside and you drink this, which turns the alcohol into sugar. You then put on weight while you're driving to get rid of the alcohol that you do. I don't get the point. I don't get the point of that. I don't know. It's certainly not something I would want to invest in, but I'd like to know more about it. You've obviously done some research on it. You know, you've studied it. I'd like your thoughts on that. But I have to be honest, I don't see what that's all about. Maybe to cure your hangover the morning after. I can see the benefit of that. I don't know. Would you invest in that? I like to invest in unique companies, which this kind of is, I suppose, but proprietary I can't see. Well, Fibonacci, it's not, the conversation isn't stupid and pointless. It's actually somebody, one of our members has joined today, wants me to review the stock, and every member can have a stock reviewed, and this is what he's interested in. So it's not pointless and stupid. It's it's a company, a real company, and whatever. I don't see anything in that, but we'll save millions of lives. How will it save lives? From making people who are drunk getting in their cars to not being drunk? Is that what you're saying? Potentially, I suppose. Anyway, it makes perfect sense. That would be perfect for a guy like me. I drink and drive all the time. Ed Spitzer, can't condone that, of course. Not everyone drinks alcohol to be drunk, Martyn. I think that's just you. Yep, that's just me. Absolutely. I'm not buying any safety shot. If I have a few lagers, I want to feel a little bit, hey, I want to feel one of the boys. Anyway, it's bad also to drive on high sugar level. I would have thought so. I don't see, anyway, we're learning about this. I'm going to keep it, do some more research and come back on it. Yes, please. How? Right. Okay. Mr. Bogues, you can call in once you are a YouTube member, and you are a YouTube member. You then call in by going into Discord. Here is the Discord link. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Our security. I mentioned this earlier. There's a Discord link. Click on that. This allows you to call into the show. You'll come into the show here, and you'll come into it will bring you to the welcome all, where I am, where Stephen is welcoming you. You'll come in here. When you say hello here, I will upgrade you to a YouTube member manually, because you are a YouTube member, and you will be able to call in. I'll explain how you call in once you come in here to the welcome all. It will take 10 minutes. You've got to verify your email. It makes sure you're not a scammer or a bot or a fraud or underage or any of those things. But it will allow you to phone in on the show. You can be on a call. You can be on a video call. You can share links. You can share screens. Do whatever you like. All right? I'd love to talk to you about it. All right. There it is. You can call in. It's open. The broadcast lounge is open. When you come into here, I will upgrade you. Okay? Stephen Lewandowski, Mike, they'll all be in there to guide you through it. All right? You pass a breathalyzer test, get diabetes and die, Pedro. Nice one. Nice one, Niels. Yeah. Nice one, Niels. Invest in AST Space. Is that Space Mohammed? Not sure. I don't drink alcohol at all. I just use cannabis, says Bill. At some point, you may need to drive home. Correct. Not something I'd invest in, but interesting, though. I'd love to talk to you about it. Well, now you know how to do it. There you go. Mike and Stephen Lewandowski. Look, they're waiting for you. Look at this. Look, you've got Mike and Stephen Lewandowski, Mr. Bogues, coming on in. Look, they're all here. They're all welcoming you to the live show. You can be live on the show. All right? There you go. I should think not. Anyway, with marijuana slowly becoming legal everywhere, I don't think beer in general is going to be a good buy for a long time, or any alcohol beverages for that matter, but I may be wrong. Yeah, we may be wrong. Yes, okay. Now then, we're coming up to 10 o'clock. It's soon time for the FOMC report. We're going to wait now. Mr. Bogue, are you... they are waiting. Look at this. Look at this. We're going to hear from Mr. Bogue now, our trucker. There you go. Waiting. Welcome all. Look at this. You're getting Stephen welcome you in. It will take 10 minutes. I was going to end the show now, but... we're going to do this first. We're going to wait 10 minutes. We're going to allow Mr. Bogue the opportunity to come on here. Are you coming on in? There's Niels. Niels is saying hello as well. Everyone's coming in to welcome you in. So if you come on in here now, I will wait. I will give it 10 minutes. If you've not done it, then we'll try another time. But all right, we are welcoming you into the show. Now then, we need to focus on the FOMC for the moment. Okay. Let's get ready. Here's my overall position. Victor, thank you very much for your subscription, mate. I'm in the green there. My overall balance is 53.3. Okay. Let's go through our stocks and see what we need to adjust. We're ready. We've got cash, $1,000, another $4,000 I can liquidate like that on assets, and we can raise. Look at this. We've got the best welcome in the history of the world. Niels, Zed Hink, maybe Martyn will see my comment. Mr. Zed Hink's going, maybe Martyn will see my comment. There you go. Zed Hink. Mr. Look at all the welcomes he's getting. Unbelievable. I think he's got more welcomes than anybody. Martyn, can you do a show on high yield dividend stocks? Pedro, yes, I can. Of course I can. I can do a whole show on dividend stocks. Absolutely right. More than happy to do so for you. As a member, Pedro, I'm here to help. What you think about Beidou? Thanks. Gordon Center. I can't do another back test right now. Did you win that membership today? If you did, if you bought it today, I would do more. But I think you won that today, didn't you? So I've got to focus on the main members at the moment. If you renew that, I'll do a full back test for you next month, or when it renews. I don't think Safety Shop would be cool for teenagers. I don't like the idea of it. What do you think? Anyway, we're waiting for Mr. Bogue to do it. Let me go through our positions. Here we go. Charge point. Zed Hink says, I'm interested in the Safety Shot as I think government would be interested in this detox. See, if the government got behind it and started promoting it, if it became something that they pushed, I don't like the idea of turning all that alcohol into sugar, though. Americans are already eating too much sugar, and now we're turning alcohol into sugar quickly. I mean, you're going to get a lot of overweight people very quick. I mean, there's a lot of sugar in alcohol. If you turn it into sugar, that's a lot. I don't know. Anyway, we shall see. Right. Virgin Galactic 197, not cheap enough yet to buy more. Berkshire Hathaway, I bought some yesterday, not yet. ARM, no, not until $20. Palantir 1770. Is it a Chinese stock, is it? Is it a Chinese stock? You know my thoughts there. Think about it. If a government buys and uses as a contract, that's my thoughts. We've got a good thought here coming in from Zed. Is that Zed Hink? Yeah. Zed Hink sharing some thoughts in Discord at the moment. Very interesting. Gold going up today. Interesting. Preparing for the Fed. The S&P. Okay. Amazon. We got a mulled market right now, waiting for the next move. Next Era Energy, Enphase Energy, Coca-Cola, safety, defensives going up. Okay, that was good. We bought some a couple of days ago, remember? Oh, by the way, for those of you that missed the show, I'm working on logging in. Mr. Bose, take your time. No rush. Take your time. I'll wait for you. We did a video the other day as a test for you so we could all learn. I bought Coca-Cola on ex-dividend day to see. Now, I said to you many times, it won't count because it won't have settled. It takes 2 days to settle on the average brokerage account. 2 days. So I bought it on ex-dividend day, not expecting to get the dividends to then pay later on in a couple of weeks from now. Ex-dividend day is the day you need to be in with settled funds. But nevertheless, even though I knew that to be a fact, I wanted to actually do it, because it's one thing reading about something and it's another actually doing it. Because you think, well, maybe it will settle in time. Maybe Robinhood will do it quicker. Well, I can confirm that buying a stock on the ex-dividend day misses the ex-dividend day, because I calculated how many stocks I had before, how many I bought on the ex-dividend day, and the next day it gave me what my payment would be, and I know 100% that I'm not getting the benefit for the other stocks that I bought on ex-dividend day. So, all right. Okay, just thought I'd let you know. I think the Fed will raise. The market is waiting. It is. Laugh at those families that have lost family. I'm on my way. I'm not sure what that comment means. That'll crash the markets 99%. Expect a pause. We are expecting a pause. And if the markets goes down, I'm prepared. I've got my averages lowered. I've got $1,000. I've got other stocks I can trim and make money. I can raise $4 or $5 grand instantly. So not a problem at all. I'm in a good position. We're good. We're prepared. We know exactly what we're doing. And we're staying in. Google's gone down today. Anything under 40%, anything around 40% up is a buy. I sold it at 50%. It's much better value than Microsoft. Microsoft's too expensive. Walmart going up. Defenses are going up, by the way, if you may have noticed a trend. Robinhood will make money if it goes up. They'll make money because they will earn more on uninvested cash. It'll be good for their shareholders and their users long term. IonQ going down. It's very expensive, way overvalued. It bloody berserk. It's ridiculous. The company loses money and people just keep buying it because it's AI. It's the best quantum computers. It's Amazon investment. It's all good. Good relationships there, but still ridiculous. Rocket Lab was fine today buying that. Back to Virgin Galactic. Okay. Plug. I bought some more yesterday. Flat on it. Makes perfect sense. Rumble. Sorry, Procter & Gamble. Defensives are going up. Rumble. Not buying anymore. They are suffering from the Russell Brand situation. Faraday up 1.75. I would sell it today, by the way, if I had a day trade left. I can turn them off and have infinite, but I choose to save it. If you want to get to the FOMC report, here it is. I'll give you the link again. It's pinned to the top. Then we go back over to Discord. Let's see if our guest has made it in yet. Not yet. Right, now while we're waiting, we've got Mr. Bo going to come in a second. I hold 1,200 Virgin Galactic, average $22. I bought 100 yesterday at 186. 186 is good. Expect 150 though, even $1. But at 186, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, because when it turns around and goes up, you won't care that you paid 186 when it's $4, $10, $100. You won't care, will you? It won't matter to you. So that's good. I favorited Safety Shot just because I like the idea of it. Do you? Well, we're going to learn more about it in a minute. Okay. In a minute, Mr. Bogue is going to call in and be on our show. Very exciting stuff. Virgin Galactic, still not right. 196. There really isn't anything I want to do with my money right now. I'm holding my position. I'm not. The market is now in a lull mode. I did buy some Rocket Lab today because it went back down, 448. I will buy this because this is beaten up right now. This is undervalued right now. Not as much as it was yesterday, but nevertheless, I made that swing. So I made that profit to be able to buy it slightly higher, but it's less than where I sold it by some margin. So I'm fine buying and adding. I've got my long-term position as well. I'm up on it. I can sell all this on Monday or even tomorrow, actually. So I can bring plenty of cash back into play. Right, we're coming up to 10 minutes. 21, nice studio, just overall streaming and just overall streaming setup. Looks like a big investment to look forward to seeing the channel growing. 21, Marrakesh. Thank you. Would you like a little guided tour around the studio? Would you like a little look? Let me share with you. Would you like a little look? If you give it a couple of seconds, I will give you a little guided tour around my studio. As we're waiting for the FOMC report, and we're also waiting. Let me end the stream now on TikTok because I've got to use this screen. If you want to be part of what's going on, click the link up here and come into YouTube. But I've got to turn this screen around now. You're watching my YouTube broadcast. I've got to do something for my audience on YouTube. See you back in a bit. We'll be live for the FOMC report. If you want to join the main family, the main investors, we're live now, youtube.com/@MartynLucasInvestor. See you back in a bit. All right. Okay, so let me show you the full studio. As we're doing this now as we're waiting. All right. So what we've got here, we're just waiting for Mr. Bogue to come in. So we're just going to spend a couple of moments because I've been asked by a guest about my studio. So what we've got here, I'm trying to grow the most honest, most real, most live YouTube TV show in the world. I'm actually the world piano man. I've actually got my own music channel. I'll share with you. I'm live. This is my next live concert on Friday. If you want to join me, I'll give you the link to the live Friday concert. And I've toured all over the world, 195 countries. Here's my music channel here. I'll give it to you now. Look, the link's in the chat. Here's me wearing Sir Elton John's jacket when I won the World Piano Man doing Lion King there. I did Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas Showgirls, my big show with the British Philharmonic Orchestra. Lots of videos that have recently come out. I do special events. I do different voices, 14 voices, 7 different languages. I did Willie Nelson. I did the National Anthem of the United States of America. I did the voice of Aerosmith as well. I did a tribute and support for those in 9/11. Lady in Red, I did my new pop video, remixed it. I did a tribute to Billy Joel and John Lennon. Sir Paul McCartney, when Wings tour in the US, I perform as Sir Paul McCartney. Paul doesn't tour with Wings anymore. This is the Paul McCartney video I did. You can check all that out. And let me show you now the studio. It's just filling up with smoke for you. In a couple of seconds, you'll see. Let me just give you a quick tour. Now you can see this screen here. This is what people were watching earlier on TikTok. We're waiting for Mr. Bogue to come in. That's why we're talking like this for the moment. And so what we've got here, I've got 16 different screens, a lot you can't see. If I go back to this angle here, you can see more. Back there on the walls, different things, follow spots, moving heads, different things. And we're fully off-grid, so we've got backup power, backup internet. It's all solar-powered, so we won't lose power, we won't lose internet. We can always bring you the show. I use a Mac Studio Ultra 2 chip to run the studio. All the cameras are on tracks. Here comes all the different smoke now, you can see. you'll see things start to move now. This is how I do all my concerts in the evening. All right. Okay. Now I'll go back over to the studio over here. I'll share with you. Okay. So we come over to this part of the studio. This is where I do my live shows, and I control all the different cameras, the lights, all myself with foot switches. This is my main camera here, and there is the cameras on tracks. I've got my piano camera over here. You see here, and there you go. I'm controlling all the lights myself. They're all DMX lighting. And it just gives you a little idea of how it all works. Just a brief little tour of the studio. All right, there you go. And yep. If there's anything you want to ask me, I will more than happy explain anything. All right. Okay, we're back in the house, and anyway, let's get back into the trading position. Let's have a look. I'm having to log into my... Yeah, take your time, Mr. Bogues, don't worry. It's absolutely fine. Your sound insulation doesn't work like that, Martyn. Like Martyn XD. Your sound insulation doesn't work like that, Martyn. Your sound installation doesn't work like that, Martyn XD. I don't understand what that comment means. Mirror ball and disco. Yeah. Impressive. Thank you very much. Sing Rod Stewart. Do you want to hear some Rod Stewart while we're waiting? Do you want to hear the voice of Rod Stewart? Wake up, Maggie, I think I got something to say to you. Late September and I should be back at school. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I do lots of different voices and lots of different languages. The sound insulation doesn't work like that, Martyn. On the walls. What do you mean it doesn't work like that? This isn't built as a soundproof studio. This is my home, and we live here. So it's not a soundproof studio, and the things on the walls around the studio aren't actually designed to... we've got soundproofing over here, soundproofing up here, and back behind me. You saw it earlier. I know it doesn't... See up there on the wall? It doesn't make the room soundproof at all. It wasn't intended to. It was done to dampen the sound, reduce the echo, which it does, but it looks good, and it darkens the room down and gives me a darker for the lighting. So it's not fully to create the sound, because I don't actually need to, because while I'm talking to you, if you look over here, I'll share with you just down here. If you look down here, see the orange valve amp down here? That's the orange display. My audio is compressed. It's going through a valve amp. It's also got there's no noise if I stop talking. There is no noise, and I actually use lots of processing to give. I'll share with you on the screen what I use here. So you can see I have limiters and expanders and gates and so on and so forth, and EQ to give me that nice radio sound. So you actually don't have to have a soundproof studio. People, even though I am extremely fussy and proud of what I've built here, I'm also want to encourage people to know that you don't need the best equipment in the world to produce a great record. You don't. The Beatles didn't have it, and look what they produced. You can do it very cheaply, even though this isn't a cheap studio. I've done it all out. You don't have to have a perfect studio at all. It's how you use it and what you do with it. You don't have to have the perfect studio. It's the equipment that you have. It's if you maximize it. Anyway, I think it's time for a whiskey. Not today, it's not. Amazing, Gordon. It's not sound insulation, it's sound absorption. Correct. Your sound insulation is decoration, but I thought it was funny. You've sound insulation as decoration, but I thought it was funny. Yes, I understand what a soundproof studio is. I've worked in them many times. This is not that. It's done to dampen the room, and it's also done to look good. I can create no echo and the ambience of my microphone through the effects and processing I put, because this is my home. It can't be done that way. Anyway, your musical channel sounds great with my earbuds. Thank you very much, Mike. Okay, we must have our guests now ready to call in, because I can't stay on much longer. I have to prepare for the FOMC report. So, is Mr. Bogue in the chat? I can't wait much longer. Mr. Bogue, are you here? I've stayed on the show for you. I have to go. I've got other things I have to do. But I always take care of my members the very best way I can. Anyway. So if you want to join me for Friday night's concert, you can. It's on the homepage of the channel. Please do go and subscribe. Subscribe to my music channel. Here it is. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can do those fundraiser events without any fees and go directly to the charities. So please do. It'd be very much appreciated. My live show is on Friday. Every Friday is music night. Click this video here, upcoming live streams, like it is on the investor channel, and you'll see all of that. All right, now then. Can I request charge point tomorrow morning? Seth, absolutely. I can do a full back test for you, Seth. Absolutely. Remind me tomorrow and you can have it in the show, Seth. Absolutely right. Okay. I'm having issues getting the Discord. No, don't apologize, Mr. Bogues. You don't have to apologize at all. Please don't feel the need to apologize. I'm having issues getting to Discord. It's only because you're just over 10 minutes. You may not have started when I said. What it does is you go into Discord. It won't allow you to comment until you verified your email and 10 minutes has elapsed. You may not have started it on the 10 minutes when I said. You probably didn't, to be honest. So that's all it is. I will wait for you just a couple more minutes. If you click my link now, and it takes you, if you click on my link right now, and it takes you to welcome all, see if you can say hello. All right? See if you can say hello. All right? Okay. Mike's deleting comments he shouldn't do. And also I can speed up the process if you give me your membership, your username that you've created. If you give me that, I can search for you and see if you're online in the channel. I'm just seeing who you are. These are all the people that are online right now. I don't see you in the chat at all, but I don't know who you are. You could be anybody here. So anyway. Okay. All right, I think we'll wrap up. We'll be back very, very shortly. Now, if you want this video, as this video ends, it'll take you directly to the FOMC report, which is here. If, however, you prefer the link's in the chat, pinned to the top. It's also here in the chat as well. All right, now, if you want, I'm now going to go through my stocks and make some adjustments. I have dinner. See you later. All right, Neil, see you in a bit. Enjoy your dinner. I'm going to take a break now. We'll be back here live in under 2 hours' time. I may actually go live early to give people the chance to be in the chat. Actually, I will go live early. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this broadcast, start the next one early, and put a countdown on it so you can be in the chat. You can talk to each other. You can let everyone know what stocks you're buying, what's going on. You can be together in the chat, and I'll have the countdown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the next broadcast early so you can be in there with me. And if I'm buying anything, selling anything, I will post it in X and put it in the chat, and you can all see exactly what I'm doing. All right. Okay. So see you in a bit. Okay. Enjoy today very much. My absolute pleasure. Let's have a quick look on the subscribers and see how we did today. We had a really good day. We had 527 people come through the stream, as you can see. Very nice indeed. Nearly 7,000 views over the last 48 hours. Subscribers, 10,772. It scrolled through earlier by about 10, 15. So we've had a big day today. It's been a very, very good day. Right. Mr. Bogue, I don't think he's there just yet. So we can do it this afternoon. No problem at all. And hopefully we'll hear from him soon. All right. Let's do day trader of the day. We're now going to go over to members only. Only members can take part in this part of the show. The FOMC report is going to go live right after this, and there'll be a countdown on it. Members only. Here we go. We are now members only. Okay, and we'll do day trader of the day. Now, for those of you who are watching and you're behind the stream, this is a little tip for you to enter the competition. Look at the stream, mobile or laptop or computer, doesn't matter. If the live is in grey, you're behind the stream. Click that, you're now 30 seconds behind the stream. Now click the cogs, go double speed, and you'll be within 10 seconds of the stream. You can hear. If the live is in grey, you're behind the stream. Click that. All right. Now then, that should bring everybody up to date. You always need to do that. Of course, if you're behind half an hour, you haven't seen that yet. And by the time you see it, this competition will be over. But you know for next time. Okay? All right. So day trader of the day. Here we go. I am down 0.21 at the moment. We're going to put a minute on the clock. When the first person posts, we will do a minute. See who wins today. Here we go. Stephen Lewandowski is right on it. Whoops. Down 1.2. Down 1.45. Dave Mottram, it's lovely to have you back in the show. Did you take part in our big cash giveaway? We did it last week. $204 we gave away. Our biggest and best ever giveaway. Hope you didn't miss it. Down 2.2. If you don't know me by now, if you don't know me by now, David Brent, we know where you're going. Down 1.9, down 106 damn cannabis and oil stocks. No surprise, really, Mike. No surprise. I thought you were out with that. I thought you were out. Okay. I am nearly winning today. Down 0.21, but I think Stephen Lewandowski is just beating me. Only just. Only just. I am just in second place. Oh, Switzer, I beg your pardon, came right in at the end, up point. Is that up 0.85? I think it is. Switzer is the winner today. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a round of applause. He wins. Give him a thumbs up. And there's the sound effects. Congratulations to you. Now we've got a big credit to roll today. Roll the credits. It's going to be a big one. It's going to be a big one. Now then, here's the credits for today's show. Let's see. Followers. Who followed me today on Twitch? Thank you for your following. Mizzy, 1 Harley 2 subscribers, Callie Tio, Victor. There's more than that. That's just the public subscribers. Simon Jones, BRN, Neil Carver, Nikunj Hari, Mr. Clockwork, Jao Kanna, Vito, Lewis Martin, Roy Kirk, Inbound, Wayne, Marsolo, Bloom Tower Defense Popper, Baraf, CA, Mr. Bogues, Flutter Edits, A Man from Earth, Niels, Raman, Gordon, Thomas Chang, Dominic Webb, Daniel Young, Phantom Pizza, XXXXXZ, Farid, Gary Smith, Anno, Guts for the Long Term, Glamdring, Sam, Curry, Alopajo, Rob, Marion, Corner Page, Gerson. These are all members today. Stephen, Dave, Daniel, Robert Gresham, I Am Louis, Louis Maras, Steve Moraro, Big Name, Frogger, Jack Saunders, Edgar, Hi, somebody from China, I believe, Robert Simpson, Faro Towers, Horvath, and Henrik. All members. We had a donor donate 113. That was a scammer. Super chats from Niels, Mike 1668, Wade Van Eysen, A Man from Earth, Jojo S, Sensei Crypto, Paul Stone. That has to be, without doubt, the best super chat membership day in the history of the world ever. There's never been a night like it. I love it. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you to all of you that did that. Really appreciate it. Cheers to all of you. Congratulations to everyone who got memberships, and a big cheers. Thanks ever so much. I can't thank you enough for that. Absolutely brilliant. That's it from me. Now then, get ready. Did Mr. Bogue make it? Mr. Bogues is here. Mr. Bogue is here. Unbelievable. Mr. Bogue is here. So, as we never leave anyone behind, we never miss anybody out. Absolutely. We're gonna, of course, bring Mr. Bogue in. So now then, I was gonna end the show right there, but we never, ever miss anybody. Mr. Bogues. Now then, Mr. Bogues, we know that must be you. Mr. Bogues, go into YouTube now and confirm that is you on the screen, Mr. Bogues. Go into YouTube now, into the chat, and confirm it is you. I know it sounds obvious, Mr. Bogues. Confirm it's you. Is that you on Discord? Because people pretend to be you. The scammers trying to take your benefits and perks. Is that you, Mr. Bogues, on Discord? All I need you to do is confirm it's you. I know it sounds obvious, but we want to get it. We want to be absolutely sure, 100%. Confirm on you. Yes, it is. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is add you as a friend. There are many people on Discord. You've seen how it goes with the scammers who pretend to be me. Please do not accept any more friendships or any communication or anything at all, messages from anyone. I have now friended you. I am now going to give you YouTube membership. All right? Here's the role. Here is the membership. You have now got membership. Okay? You can now see everything. Now then, Mr. Bogue, very, very important. Many people will message you and say they are me. I never message you. They're not me, and how you can tell is this. They will use my same name, same logo, but they're not me. You can see they are me because if you look here, if you right-click, first of all, I'm in gold because I'm the owner. No one else is in gold. If you go to my roles, I am the owner. If you look at my profile, I'm the only person on Discord in the world that has a username of MartynLucas. They always have 2 S's, a dot, an underscore, whatever. They can use this name and this, but they are not me. I never message anyone. I never try and sell anybody anything at all. Right, that's a little warning. Now, Mr. Bogues, now you are in, you can see all the breakfast bar. Come in every morning, share what you're having for breakfast, have some fun, stock news, all our traders, crypto news, all the members only channels. Scroll to the bottom, go into the broadcast lounge. Go in here right now. Go into the broadcast lounge. This is me now in the broadcast lounge. You can come in here on your phone, your mobile, your computer, any device you want. You can come now into the broadcast lounge and you can call in. So come on in here now and you can come on in. I'd like you to be on video. We prefer when people come on video. It's much better. You can just phone in, but we prefer video just because we prefer the honesty and openness of everything. But if you prefer just to call in, it's okay. We just prefer video. But come into the broadcast lounge right now. So you are in the welcome all. That's where you are now. So if you go to the left and the bottom, it's right there. It's called in broadcast. I am here. Just go there now. There he is. Mr. Bogues is in. Fantastic. So, are you going to come on camera or just audio? That's fine. I'm just saying it's nice if you do audio. Right. If you unmute yourself now, I'm going to bring you on to the show. Okay? So if you unmute yourself, please, no swearing, of course. You are a verified member, so you know you're all good to go. So unmute yourself now. If you unmute yourself, I can bring you live on the show, and you can be in on the show. I'm ready to unmute you. He's unmuted. Okay. Mr. Bogue, you're live on the show. How are you today?
Good. Can you see me?
I can't see you yet. No, I can hear you, and everybody around the world can hear you. You just don't have your camera turned on. Oh, I see it coming up.
I think I got it.
I see it coming up. There it is. Okay, this is fantastic. There's Mr. Bogue, everybody, live on Martyn Lucas Investor. It's wonderful to have you. Mr. Bogue, you're live to the world, not just on YouTube, just so you know.
I'm getting a little bit of feedback.
That's because you're listening on YouTube as well. Mute YouTube. Only listen to me now on Discord. Okay? Is that better? Just have me on Discord and mute it on YouTube. Does that make sense? Got it. Fantastic. Now, just so you know, you're live to the world now, not just on YouTube. You're on my website. You're on Twitch. You're on lots of different, you're on X, Twitter, many places. Wonderful to have you for the first time. I like the jukebox in the background, by the way. Very smart. That looks a bit like my studio, all the lights lit up. Wonderful to have you. The very first day you became a member, you're from Austin, Texas. Was that right?
Arkansas.
I apologize. Arkansas. How is Arkansas today?
Beautiful today.
Beautiful.
today. I've driven in Australia for 23 years, and I drove in Canada and also North America. So trucking is a big thing for me.
Wonderful.
In my life.
I used to have a Ford Iveco truck. When I used to tour my theater show one night in Vegas, I had a 7.5 ton lorry, with all the equipment and a shower and a bed. And I drove that all across Europe, all across the UK, had millions of miles on it. And it fell apart in the end, but that's another story. So you're a trucker, and how did you find about the show today? What got you here?
Amazing. I've been watching you on YouTube, but I never, Discord has kind of got me a little off put sometimes. So I kind of steer away from it unless I have to come on it like now. So that's why it took me so long. I apologize.
Not at all. Don't apologize.
But let's get on to the main subject, and that is Power Shot.
Absolutely. But before you tell me, so you're an investor in Power Shot, right?
Safety shot.
Safety shot. I beg your pardon. Safety shot. So tell us all about it, because it does sound a bit strange to me. But tell me all about it.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I can't type very fast, so I couldn't get my message across and make
No
it
need to
clear. But,
apologize.
Mike, let me tell you this. This is a drink that people can go and have a great time, go and have a great night, or how people overdrink sometimes, and then you just wish that you didn't. Well, you'll be able to take a couple swigs of this, and you'll start to feel better. Will people abuse it? Probably. People abuse alcohol and drugs every day. But the thing is, what's most important here is I've spent a lot of time. I've had over 3 million miles under my belt in commercial trucking, and I can tell you I've seen it all. So having something that someone can have in their car, in their glove box, whatever, you need to drive. You just take that. A few minutes later, you start to feel better. You're going to be okay. They've been doing studies right now at Michael Jordan's restaurant in New York. They were getting smashed, hammered. Blood alcohol of 0.40. Within 30 minutes, their blood sugar was 0.10. Now, don't tell me that ain't something. Now, you're talking about it turning to sugar. I'd rather my blood turn into sugar for one time than lose my life or kill somebody else. So Safety Shot's going to be an amazing product, and I can't wait for it to come out. Right now, it's in production from what the DD I've found out, and soon it will be on the shelves. And I would assume it will be right next there to Monster and Red Bull and all that. So good luck to everybody. But I'm glad you found out, about it now.
I do, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this video down and make it a video to put out about the information. So what I'm going to do, just stay right where you are. I'm going to actually put this together and make this a video, and this will be a video that goes out and talks about Safety Shot and uses the information you've got. So just stay there a second. I'm going to put this together. Right. Just stay right where you are just for a moment. Okay. Let's go over here a minute. So, okay. Let me change that to Safety Shot. And I'll edit this down later. Safety, it's, just put S-H-O-T, shot. There we go. Got it on the screen. Oh, hang on, just bear with me a sec, Mr. Bogue. Just give me a second. I'll come straight back to you. Safety Shot. We're talking Safety Shot on the show today. Ever heard about it? Until this morning, I've never heard about it, but we do have live on the show today a member who joined for the very first time today from Arkansas, who's a trucker who tours all over the place and wanted to share with me his thoughts. So this is Safety Shot. Ever heard of it? Is it new to you? Well, we're going to discuss it on the show right now. So let me go over now to our guest who's going to tell you all about Safety Shot. Okay, then we'll cut to you and I'll use what you used earlier. So then we'll come over here. You gave me a little bit about that. So let me ask a couple of questions, which I'll add as well. Okay, so Mr. Bogue, one of the concerns that we were talking about is it's going to turn the alcohol into sugar. Give me your thoughts on that, because that's obviously not a good thing. But tell me, what's your thoughts on that?
Well, as a type 2 diabetic, I don't overdrink, but I know many people that do. And so basically, most people who I would say excessively drink would be the younger generation. And it happens to everybody. You get to a party, you might not have eaten something, you just feel, you have a couple drinks. Next thing you know, you're just gone a little bit overboard. This is gonna prevent you from being a mess at a party or any kind of thing that you're at. And then at the end of the day, you're done with the party. You're not feeling great. You might not sure if you're over the limit or not. You'll be able to drink this and bring your blood alcohol down. I think this is going to save millions of lives. I think many people will have this in their car. I think this will be sold at every place that is consuming alcohol. I see this being at parties. I see this. I mean, I can't believe this hasn't come out sooner. but it is about to be released from the DD. I don't, I'm just an investor in this. I found it through NASDAQ picks. That's how I found it. And I've been doing DD on it, and I think it's brilliant. I think it's an amazing product, and I understand the ramifications of, okay, it's going to turn your blood alcohol to sugar, but think about that. What does that do? It gives you energy. So this is not only going to be something for hangovers, it's going to be something for, an energy drink. The next day you're not feeling great, just pick you back up and keep doing what you do.
Okay, now this is the first time I heard about it today. You brought it to my attention, and you brought it to my members' attention, and all my investors around the world who follow me. We've got members in 41 countries, so this is going out to a lot of people right now over the next few weeks when this video goes out, which is wonderful. I haven't had a chance to look at the financials, the balance sheet, or any of that at all. When I invest, I buy companies, not stocks. First thing I like to do is research the CEO. I find out who he is, what does he do, what the company doing, how proprietary the company is, and so on and so forth. As an investor, have you had a chance to look at the financials? Do you know what the state? Because I will look into this now in more detail after this video and do a follow-up video. Why? Obviously, you've sold me the idea, the concept, why it's a good product and why you see it being sold. But of course, a business isn't just a good idea. It's a business, and businesses have to make money, and they have to return a return to me, the investor. Why do you think it's a good investment? Have you looked at the financials? Have they got a good balance sheet? Are they in a lot of debt? How are we going to do? And is it going to return money, a profit to you, the investor? What's your take on that?
Well, first of all, there's a lot of people online that know me, and knowing trucking and knowing where it's been, where it is, and where it's going, has led me to invest in certain businesses, like hydrogen, for instance. With a company like Safety Shot, you can only go by what Jupiter's been doing in the past. Jupiter's rebranding themselves and making them they're now called Safety Shot Incorporated. So the financials and all that, like you said earlier, you couldn't find anything on it. Why? Because it's not even come out yet. It's just about, they've hooked up with a big beverage company that's going to do the packing, production, packaging, and distribution. So I only go when I invest, me personally, because I don't have all these tools and all this knowledge that you guys got. I don't swing trade. I don't do options or margin trading. I use my own capital, and I invest, and I work hard. I invest my money.
You like me, mate.
So,
I don't do options. I don't borrow money. I don't do margin trading. I buy the companies with the cash I've got, and I make money from money.
Yeah. When I grew up, my parents owned restaurants, so I was busy working in a restaurant. My education came second. So when I got older, my dad was a trucker before he bought his first restaurant. And so that's how I got into trucking. But I've been self-employed almost all my life, and I've done very well for myself.
Well done, mate.
But I will tell you this, that when I look at a company, I sometimes, but not that I can't, it's just I look at what its utility is, what its merit is, is this going to be good for the world? That's what makes me invest in it.
I like that.
I don't look at, it's this percentage, that percentage, whatever. I understand that's important, and I'm learning, the Fibonacci and all that. I love it. I think you guys are brilliant. But me personally, I can't do that because I just don't know enough, and I would end up losing. And that's why I won't do any of those kind of different types of trades. I'm a Warren Buffett kind of guy. I buy, I hold, and that's where I'm at. I'm a big investor in Nikola.
Me too.
Real rough ride. I mean, I can't believe how rough the ride is. But even through all that, it's still showing strength, and it is going to be a gargantuan company. Not just because of the trucks. Everybody seems to think, they have to sell trucks. No, their business is energy and technology. And now with science and technology, we know we have to pivot. We have to get off fossil fuels. So it's super important that we pay attention and we focus on the future.
Thank you for being so honest. I love this. This is what this channel is all about. People bare their soul. They come on the show. They talk honestly. Because if you're honest with people, everyone, not only they just love the content and love what we're doing here, is they relate to it and believe in it. And, you're sharing your story with everybody, and we all learn. We don't learn nothing when someone is promoting their self-interest and they're making up stuff for their own benefits. That's what this channel's about. And it's wonderful that you've taken the time to call in. As an investor, I too like the environmental issues. I am too looking for things that benefit the world and help people and make the world a better place. Absolutely, that's what I'm about. However, I'm also an investor, and I'm trying to give the best information to people, and we can't, even if something is great, it has to return an investment to the investor. It has to make money, otherwise it just goes out of business, and then that's no good to anybody, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a deep dive into this. I'm going to look at the financials. I'm going to make friends at the companies, because people follow me. I've got friends at SpaceX that follow me, people at Virgin Galactic follow me on my X account, and I learn what's going on, and I'm now going to do a bit of research into this. It sounds quite interesting. I appreciate you calling in. I wish you the very best in everything that you do. Thanks for taking the time to be on my show today. Just before you go, if you don't mind, and it'd be nice, what I do is when people call in, if they want to, I do like a 15-20 second soundbite. And I use it as a little commercial. I've got lots of little people say stuff, and they say, hey, it's great to be on the show. You should be a member. You should call in. So whatever. If you fancy doing a 15-20 second thing like that for me now, and I'll record that
on Safety Shot, or just your channel, or
just
what?
About the channel, why you tuned in today, why people should watch, what you think about the channel, and you don't have to if you feel uncomfortable.
I love your channel.
Well, just say something like that. I'm Mr. Bogan. I don't want to tell you what to say, but
no, I got you.
I
just didn't know what you want me to talk about, but I got you.
All right.
MartynLucas Investor, right?
Yep. Okay.
That's the name of your, because
that is.
I've only been just watching your
I know
YouTube. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yep. Over to you.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Hey, everybody. This is Mr. Bogues. Many of you know me. I have found this awesome group, and this is a channel, MartynLucas Investor. And I'm telling you, it's exciting. There's a lot to learn. And if you want to be in the know, you need to get on this Discord and check them out. You'll see me there. So come and say hello.
Perfect. I'll edit that down, make a little video out of that, and I often play those segments in my show. Thank you ever so much for calling in, taking the time. I'll do some research. You'll see this video come out later, probably tomorrow. This video will come out, and and I'll do a follow up on the financials. Thanks. As you're on air, is there anybody you want to say hello to around the world?
I just want to say hello to all my Nicola family. We are well on our way. We're going to full production with hydrogen fuel cell trucks, and we're building out the hydrogen highway with our partners, Toyota, Shell, Hyundai, and the rest. None of them are any less. I just can't remember to say them all. But I will tell you this, the world will be a better place as soon as we get off fossil fuels for main forms of mobility. Brilliant. We don't need to burn fossil fuels for mobility. We have better solutions. We've actually had better solutions. But anyway, I'll see you all soon. Come and see us there at MartynLucas Investor, and we'll have
brilliant.
More
That's awesome. If you've got a business, something like that to promote, one of the things that you can do as a member, or anything, if you want everyone to go to a website, everyone to go to an Instagram, everyone to go to a YouTube channel, one of the things I love doing, like Mr. Beast, he gives money away. I try to help people grow online. We also do cash giveaways. One thing that you...
I like that.
Oh, it's just fun to do, isn't it? I just love helping people, right? It's
nothing better than philanthropy.
I've done it all my life. If I focus on other people, things take care of themselves. If you had a prize, or whether it be a cash prize or a something, we can set up a competition where everyone can go on your pages and they win tickets by going to the Instagram or going to the YouTube or subscribing or leaving a comment on a Twitter account, whatever. Think about it. You can DM me in my X account or my Instagram, and we can set up a competition. They're always very successful. If there's something you want to promote, or a charity or a business, business, we can drive a lot of attention to it. It's fun. Everyone loves getting involved. Let me just end this video right now, and I'll come back to you. So let me go back over to here. So there we go. We heard from Mr. Bogue today all about Safety Shot. I'm now going to do a follow-up video and look into the financials. Click above my head. That'll take you to the playlist for Safety Shot, because we'll create a playlist now as it's our first video. If you go over to here, you'll see more videos in the series. And down here, I'll probably feature one of my favorite songs from my music channel. Go and check that out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Mr. Bogue, you still there? Yeah, I can hear you, mate. Thanks ever so much for calling in. I'll put that together and I'll get it edited out as a video. Thanks ever so much, mate.
You're very welcome. I couldn't see you, so.
Don't worry. You'll watch it back later on. It'll all be good.
All right. I appreciate you, and I'll try to get better at this.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Every Friday. Absolutely. You can call in whenever you want as a member. You can also do every Friday. We have a group phone in every Friday at 9 a.m. Central. Everyone calls in and we have a group conversation about what we're buying that week, what we're looking at next week. You can do all those things. I've got to go now, but thanks ever so much for calling in. Cheers. Bye-bye. That was a great call, wasn't it? How cool was that? Very, very nice. Really enjoyed those phone-ins. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, right, we've got to end the show. I've got to get off. I've got to put this video together. Great. Look at that. Great call in, Mr. Bogues. Congratulations, Mr. Bogues. Cool chat. Everyone loves it, but still welcome and thanks for the call in. There you go. Thanks, Mr. Bogues. I love it. Gordon Center. I see this being useful in extreme cases, alcohol poison or overly drunk situations, but overly use will cause other problems, but yet still interesting. Nonny likes it. Okay, I think we've done everything now. Okay, okay, very, very good. We've got the video made. We can get that done. I think we're all done and dusted. Okay, so let me have a quick look at this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Safety Shot into my Roth IRA, and I'm going to buy a very small amount so I can, I always like to talk on things that I'm actually involved in. All right. So we're going to go buy a limit order. Of 155, just so it goes through at 151. Market hours 3 p.m. today, and I don't know anything about the stock yet, so I don't expect me to buy a lot of these things. I'm just going to put it on my radar, just so it's got a market share. I call this a market share. Okay, there you go. I'm going to buy just 10 shares, nothing at all, just as a market share. There you go. So I've got an interest on it. If one of my members shows an interest, I like to take an interest as well. So there you go. It's now on my trading chart. I bought a very small position in it just as a market share, and we will go from there. All right. I think this was the point of the membership giveaway today. Bring people like this here and get the trolls out. Hopefully, that's it. Absolutely right. That's why we do it through Discord, so it's secure and safe, and it's all good. Absolutely right. Okay, very good. My portfolio is in green again. I'm beating Warren Buffett again. I'm beating the S&P. Well, just about again. I mean, what can I say? I'm only joking. I'm not always, but I like to say it when I am, though. I mean, you know, obviously. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, so we're green. The studio is green. Let's get rid of the pink. Let's go into the green. There we go. Studio is green. We're looking good. And the Roth IRA. How's the Roth IRA? Yeah, Roth IRA is good, looking green as well. 53.4, very nice indeed. All right, that's it. Okay, folks, stay right where you are. You've got the link for the FOMC report. We're going to be live there right now with the FOMC. I'm going to put a countdown on the screen. Here is the link. You've got the link in the chat. We're going to start early so you can continue the conversation. Mr. Bogue can pop on in and talk and everything. And this is what it looks like. We're going to start there right now. Give me just 5 minutes to start this, and there'll be a countdown timer to when I'm going to start talking and when the event will start. And we look forward to seeing you all there for the FOMC report, okay? That's it from me. Right, we've already done Day Trader of the Day. We already ended the stream. The only thing that we didn't do, of course, was end it because we came back for Mr. Bogue. So we want to actually finish off now. Okay? Right. There you go. All right. Okay, we're good. Let's get out of here. I'll see you all back in a bit. We're looking good this afternoon. Everything's looking strong. Charge Point we're going to cover tomorrow. Virgin Galactic going back up again. Rocket Lab, that's fine. Didn't able to buy any more, but I bought some this morning. It was overreacted, in my opinion. Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, we're good. We're all good. Everything's looking strong. See you all back in a bit then. Thank you ever so much for being here. I will start the show in just a few minutes' time. Don't go away. This will go straight into it. Until then, have a wonderful afternoon. As always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves, and most importantly, take care of each other.